love it. I love those quotes reacted. W.
My bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby. Woo back, baby. Yeah, let me see some. Okay. Look, you cannot say pop and forget the smoke. I'm from the floors where niggas told they couldn't be cribs, so they turn folk. Driving through the veil, dropping a joke. I gotta laugh cause these niggas jokes. Drill like, who these niggas? I don't know. But I'm on go. And I'm in that Bugatti, moving 200, giving pucks like who shot you? Me and Trey, that's 4 choppers. Man down. All you see is helicopters. Paramedics, pick him up. They gon' send him to the doctor. I'm in the hood like an engine. Revving. Trey, get that nigga. My chicks is clearing. Your chicks is spending. And I got a couple gangsters. Let me know. That's a fact. If you want smoke, cause boy I can send them. And I got a bad bitch. Ass up. Face down. Yeah, she love doggy style. And she got a Louis bag. That whole extendo. Okay. Flex. My bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby. Woo. Let me see some. Okay. My bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby. Woo. Let me see some. Okay.
Got it jumping out the zoo. Seeing red, seeing blue. Yelling flame, hot moves. Pop flare, hot. Break my head down till I have my face. Duck away. She wanna lay up and hibernate. I took a chance, there's a lot to take. I took her right in and up right away. She need a chunk, not a piece. It cost me 3 for the keys. Not the work, but the V. She let it twirl to the beat. I send the word, better reach. Wearing pearls, bits of bees. I only hurl at my peak. Cuts, diamond cuts, out in public. 2 cups, over stuff, now I'm up. Cold, Chanel, but she talking. We won't get enough. Nah.
My bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby. Woo. Let me see some. Okay. My bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby. Woo. Let me see some. Okay.
What up? What up, chat?
I did some wrong, but I'm always right. Said I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night. Look, if I call you babe, you babe for the day, or babe for the night. You not my wife. She wanna kill her, so fuck all night. I wanna fuck on the thigh, give me head all night. AP, big rocks, in the hood with the realest. But I'm always right. Said I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night.
I'm rich, but I'm riding, I'm low on exotic. I'm about to fly out and go get me some. Nothing ain't sweet, all this money on me. 100 rats in the bag, that's 100 bucks. Baby OG, I been running these streets, got a game full of shine on my mama's son. Learned about the triple cross when I was young, and I know I ain't going, so I keep a gun. I threw the
Alright. Yo. What up? What up, chat? What up? I had to fix my camera for some reason. It wasn't popping up, but I think we're good now. But why does the chat look like this? Did YouTube change it? I'm sorry, but what is this? Hello, YouTube? What did you guys do over the weekend? Why is the font like that? Oh, okay. There you go. Fix it. I was like, what? Why does it look like that? We should be good now. Hold on. Sorry. My brightness up. Cool. We good? We good? All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I'm gonna reach out from this side. Looks like a baby dinosaur. What, the light? Think so? You can say that. The white image to our left. Christian Louboutin. Can you guys focus on it? You know what's cool, guys? I can make it like flash to it's noise sensitive, so if I talk it can flash, but I'll give you guys a headache, to be honest. Alright, good morning, guys. Welcome back. Rainy day, I know. I didn't get my coffee today. I just made a coffee today. I'm like, yeah, I'm not going outside today. But yeah, go. Yo, what up? We're gonna be what day is it today? Today is July 18th. Alright, so welcome back to a new stream. Today is Monday, July 18th. I believe we are basically almost 3/4 through the month. We have about a week and a half left, and let's make it a good week and a half. You know, I think for the most part July has been picking up recently. Things have been going great. I think we had I don't want to say a rough start, but I want to say a slow start. But yeah, things are picking up. I wouldn't be too stressed about you guys. I mean, same thing happened last month, really. June really picked up halfway through the month, right? So I'm not even complaining. I mean, so far July's been great. Especially if you guys compare it to some other months, like July's been great. Nothing's been wrong in July. Maybe you might have less opportunities than you did in June, but for the most part, you know, July has been perfectly fine. But yeah. Let's take a look at the charts real quick. Before we do that, let's take a look at the news and see what we got going on today. So you have GDP and NPC. NPC member Saunders speaks. Then you have USD news or CAD news, house stands relevant. Yeah, you don't have anything crazy going on today. You have maybe NHB housing market index, and then you have TIC long-term purchases. One's at 10, the other one's at 4. So what that means is, I mean, till 10 a.m. we are chilling. There's nothing to interrupt us. We can trade the 8:30 candle peacefully without any news in our way. We can trade the COMEX pretty peacefully today. So things should be looking pretty lovely. I think tomorrow you have nothing. Wednesday you have nothing. Thursday you have nothing. Friday you have nothing. Wow. Or flash services PMI, I lied. But yeah, for the most part, we don't got much going on this week. It's a pretty chill week. So yeah, we could trade in peace this week. Trade in peace, hopefully, unless chat is on one. But I think we're good. But yeah, guys, let's take a look here. So gold here off the weekly. Let me just send my Zoom call real quick. Where is Wix? I don't know. He told me, he actually hit me up the other day. He's like, yeah, I'm just dealing with some shit right now. So he just be on whenever he's on chat, whenever he's just ready to be on again, you know. But he'll be on soon. Like, it's like he's gonna be away for like a couple months or anything. He'll be on like maybe sometime this week, maybe next week. But they'll be back, man. And Marcos is like he's busy until August 1st. So like it's just me for the most part, I think. Until then, all right, which is fun, right, guys? Yeah, I think you guys are cool with that, right? Just me, unless you guys get bored. Okay, I'm gonna stream Apex for 8 hours yesterday. 8 hours Apex chat with 10 viewers. That's lit. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was pretty cool to have 10 people in that stream for the entire stream. And I got a new mouse pad chat. Look at this new G Pro wireless. Super light mouse, pretty lit. So it's not fun in games till my mouse dies, but I think this thing has like 72 hours for 20-minute charges, so that's insane. But yeah, let's just go ahead and take a look here, chat, at what we got going on for the week. I believe, put my annotations up. All right, so starting off with the weekly or the monthly. Let's do a bit of a refresher here. So starting off with the monthly counter came down, tapped our target, which was 1706 here. Pretty nice. Tapped it. Next target you have is 1682. You're coming down to the last week and a half, so I mean, let's see what happens here. We're obviously still bearish. The weekly here is pretty bearish as well. You can see the weekly has came up, create a top wick. I would say we can probably come up to like probably, look left there. Most logical resistance you have is probably 1730. Look left, going all the way across. That's the most recent resistance, so that's where you're probably expecting this topic to be created at. I wouldn't be surprised if the price comes up, taps those levels, and it starts to reject. However, we was grinding for after stream vibes. I believe once you flip though, there's a high chance account will likely drop down towards next support, which is 1682 to 60. I believe the top wick right here is going to be currently 109 pips. So once you flip bearish this week, we can probably drop down to 1776, which is the weekly target as well. The daily, or sorry, monthly target. The daily here is the only thing that's kind of bullish right now. You were once bearish, but it was very weak bearish. You did break the highs. You can count as a doji, but I don't know. I still believe the weekly flips bearish regardless if the day broke the highs or not. It's the same as a weekly candle. This thing's gonna flip bearish and fill the wicks. If you were flip bearish. But yeah, we came up, tapped most recent resistance at 725 on a daily. The day time from today, you can say it has clean traffic once it flips bearish until the next support here, which is gonna be down here at the 1684 mark. So you flip bearish today, the range going down is gonna be roughly 200 pips going down. So you have plenty of range to drive down today off the daily. But personally for me, for sells, I mean, the forward candle here it's a range one. There's like an 85% chance the forward candle will give you a range one breakout. So what that means basically is right now you're currently sitting right here with price. There's a support right here, and then you can say there's a resistance right here, right? Because this is the range you're in, right? I'm pretty sure everyone could agree. This is the range that you're currently in right now. And if price were to break the lows on the forward candle, which is where 1712, there's a high chance this candle's gonna drop all the way through, coming down towards 1704 or 1700. So this candle, it doesn't really have to close back into the range, but once it breaks the lows, there's a high chance this candle will drive back into the range. Ideally, the forward candle were to close like this, that'd be perfect. You can come down for the wick and drive, continuing down towards 1680 even today, right, to match the daily target. So this is the forward candle right now. If it were to close back into the range at 9, this would be the next forward candle. But if you do break the lows, there's a very high chance you get positions before 9 a.m., which is great. Because yeah, the lows are 1711. We're currently at 1716. We are currently 50 pips away from that low being broken. But you flip bearish today, look on the daily, clean traffic coming down. Go back on a 4-hour time frame. 4 shows the day a range one breakout, right? Unless you form a range 2 here. But if you break the lows, we're gone. But yeah, as for positions today, I would say positions for me would, I mean, this is your support right now, 1702. So if you want to be very passive today, you can definitely take sells below 1702, which I believe, looking left there, is some type of support. I hate doing this. Why can't prices give you regular price action where we can look left and it's right there? We have to scroll back and exercise our hand here. Yeah, so 1701, pretty heavy support there. I'll say sells below will be clean. Damn, I forgot to look at clean traffic. Okay, let me go back. Yeah, below 1701, I believe you have clean traffic until 1792, which is the 9 pip range going down 85-ish. Yeah, around, like, I'll say around here is the next support. Right here will be lovely. Yeah, coming down towards 1688, 1690-ish levels. Should be pretty ideal today. That's a pretty nice range going down. Let me just go back to this. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? What day is this? This is gonna be 8/21 March. Okay, so 8/3/21. So every time I go back, I'm just gonna type it in here and go back, so it's easier. All right. Yeah, chat. So yeah, I believe that's your support. If you want to be passive today, just look for sells below there. Close below 1701 would be ideal, coming down towards 1688. Otherwise, positions I'm looking for here in this case would be below here. I'll say below here would be ideal for sells. If you can break below here, there's a high chance it can drop down, coming down towards next support, which is below 1712. Coming all the way down towards 1701. I believe you break 1712 here. This is the 4-hour candle breakout lows, because if you go in the 4-hour time frame and you draw a line on the 4-hour breakout lows, right? The previous 4-hour low, you know, if that low breaks, you're coming down to fill the range at 1701. Go back on a 1-hour. What happens? You get a closure blow back into the range, plus the 4-hour breakout lows, confirmation drop down. I believe that should take the weekly of flip and daily of flip, as well as you're breaking back into the range, coming down towards 1701. So yeah, you should be good. The breaking point will probably be 1708. And I think that's where the day flips, 1708-ish. So yeah, perfect. We close back into the range at maybe the next 30-minute candle. We should be good to drop down. This 1-hour candle has a high chance to drop down as well, because you are within the range here. You can say that you're in, I'll show you guys here. You're in basically, you're in a range, right? That's overall in a range. And you can say that this is a range as well. So this is a range right here that you're breaking back into. So there's a high chance you can come down to fill this range, which should take you with the closure below for 730. So I mean, let's just wait for that. This range isn't bad. It is a 30-pip range going down, but I think you need a better top wick for positions here for the 7 a.m. candle. It is a bit of a cowboyish entry, but there's definitely clean traffic coming down towards 1712. But yeah, that's gold. Pretty straightforward. Sells below here, and 1688 is the daily target. Save as targets. All right, cool. That's cool. Great. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it, chat. Other than that, that's gold. Oh yeah, as for buys though, I'll probably want a range 2 breakout. So right now, oops, not there. Right now, that'll probably be above here, 1722-ish, I'll say. Let's see, maybe a little higher. Yeah, like 1723. Buys would be for me above there. Above 1723 would be lovely to go up towards next resistance, which is at 1733. Somewhere up here. That'd be great. That'll be the range 2 buys from it today though. All right, until you break out this range here, there's no trade here. No trades from 1712 to 1723. It's a 100-pip range, but it's a non-triple range for me. Let me just scroll back one more time. Hey, this is right. Oh, that's too much work. Let's see left here one more time. I'm gonna see the 1712 is a valid support coming down, because most recent support is valid, but I want to see if most recent is valid as well. Yeah, it is definitely valid. Definitely valid. All right, cool. We're good. All right, on to the next pair. GBP JPY. Monthly candle on GJ is, as you can see, is flipping bullish. So you spent half of the month. Think of it as like a 1-hour candle, right? If you spent the first 30 minutes creating a bottom wick, and now you're on to the second half of the 1-hour candle, basically the last 30 minutes of the 1-hour candle, there's a high chance this thing flips bullish it should drive up towards next resistance at 174 or 401. So that's your next target. Obviously you have 11 days left, so I'm not sure how far we'll drive, but we're flipping here. So minimum wick fill for me would be at 168, 590, 600ish. And then if you break that high, then there's a high chance you may see like 160, 172. But overall, 168 is doable for the monthly. Look left, we're flipping bullish. You do have clean traffic, especially after you closed above this range on the monthly. So yeah, keep that in mind as we're bullish here right now on price. So close above, should likely drive up towards next resistance. And yeah, that's the monthly. I think the weekly time frame is pretty bullish as well. The weekly cannot officially close bullish this week. There's a high chance to fill the range, which I think it just did basically. Price kind of came up for the monthly already, 168 pips. We'll start on the weekly. Wow, weekly just started. What happened last night? Well, yeah, 168 pips so far on the weekly wick fill. That was nice. Daily time frame is bullisher. Daily time frame was out of resistance, but overall it's still bullish. Wow, price maybe even see 165 today, 166ish. That's great. But yeah, buys for me. I think look, in terms of traffic on GJ, it's not the greatest, but you can say you do have some decent ranges, especially above here. I believe you did close above here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you definitely closed above there. Let me just take a look. Did it? Yeah, the 1 hour closed above, but it closed above prior, and then this candle closed above, but this candle's a very weak bullish. Probably gonna break the lows probably. I'll say buys be above here. I think this is another range we're in, right? Yeah, above there. Because above here on a 30, or not above there. I think above here is a lot cleaner. 165, 900 chat. Traffic above here is a lot cleaner. 165, 900, right? $169, 975. Yeah, like 165, 900 is a lot cleaner for buys above. How big is the range from here to here? 10 pips. Yeah, like above here, at least you have some range until 17 or 166, 219. So that's a 30 pip range going up. Yeah, above here would be a lot cleaner. 165, 900. Buys above there, and then there's no sells for me until you probably break below 164 for now, because that's the next range to breakout. But this is just the range that you're stuck in right now, and you can't really do much in this range. It's kind of a garbage range, but I mean that's GJ for right now. Current just ranging, but weekly overall is clean. Like if I can take a weekly trade, I would. But stops are massive, I believe, off the weekly. I think weekly stops are going to be like 300 pips. Let me just take a look real quick, but I'm pretty sure the weekly stops at 300 pips, or monthly flip. Yeah, so it's gonna be a TP of probably like 800 and stop loss of like 5. Yeah, no, that's way too wild, man. I'll just stick to my buys above 165, 900, going up towards next resistance, which is gonna take me up towards this level to left hand side right here. So yeah, this is gonna be what I'm looking for today, chat. On GJ, I think gold's a lot cleaner though right now. So let's just take a look at that. Eyes on gold. Update trades taken. Gotcha. I think I did, right? July 16. Yeah, I gotta delete that trade taken. All right, cool. So trades taken done. The breakdown thing is all right, I'm just not gonna put that because nothing happened yet. All right, cool, we good. That's there. This record is here. 5-5-1. 5 wins, 1 loss, 5 break evens. Yeah. Not bad of a month, 1 loss, but what was the loss we took that this month? What was this loss again? I feel like it was like a range one or something on a small time frame. Or was it just resistance? Wow, that's a perfect trade. I'm surprised this was a loss. Oh wait, no, this is a win. Never mind. This is the win. We did take a loss though. This day too. That was only a loss. I'm like, how's that a loss? This current count stops. Did it break the previous count at 1 hour high though? Because I believe it didn't break the 1 hour high and just. Okay, so it broke the current highs for sure. And then, oh yeah, it closed bullish, but it didn't break the 1 hour highs yet. Didn't break the 1 hour highs yet. Didn't break above that resistance. And it did. Okay, cool. Yeah, it would have been up regardless. I mean, that's pretty clean for me. Not really sure what happened that day, but pretty clean trade. Nothing I can do about that. July been iffy. July's been perfectly fine, guys. Perfectly fine. But yeah, that's the analysis, guys. That's GJ analysis, gold analysis. You have nothing stopping price today. No news or anything like that, so should be good for the most part. Guys, I'll probably upload it after the stream, but I got a weekly recap of last week's stream for you guys, so I'm gonna be uploading that maybe 2 a week, one on Sunday or Monday-ish, and one on like Friday. So yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're chilling. I think gold today. The moment you hear the word think, it's over, man. Delete the word think from your analysis. You'll be much more fluid. I banned the word think and believe from my analysis. Only I do is see. I just see, man. I don't think. I just see. And must. Especially the word must. There's no must in price action. There's this thing breaks, this thing goes here. But there's no we must go down here. We must go up here. I think we must go down here, man. I'm gonna buy, and like this thing just gotta go up, man. I'm gonna buy, like, you know, I'm on the wrong side of the trade, so this thing gotta go up. It's gotta go up. You think Monday's harder to take wins? No. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the same. I treat every day the same. And I mean, people can tell me differently, that's fine, but whatever works for others. But for me, like, every day is the same. Monday to Friday, literally the exact same price action. If there's no volume, there's no volume. There's volume, there's volume. It can be a Wednesday and there's no volume. What are you gonna say? It's a Wednesday, don't trade. It can be a Monday and there's no volume. Then don't trade the Monday, right? It's like it has nothing to do with the days. It's more so a volume. If some days have volume, some days don't. I've seen days where bank holidays have volumes. So that's my take on it. Like that's how I view it. Like Mondays and Fridays are my best days, I believe so. Like Monday, Friday, Thursdays are my worst days, I believe. But Monday and Fridays are typically my better days. From the streams, at least. Need another cup of coffee, man. Thoughts on gold 30-minute time frame breaking 760 resistance. 30-minute time frame break 716. Right here. Yeah, there's a resistance here. Yeah, you can say there's a range. Oh wait, speaking about that, I forgot to tell you guys. Wow. The lower rate came down and kind of lower. I was gonna say, like, if this is a resistance here, there's a high chance that once we flip bearish on this candle here after creating that top wick, you're gonna feel the range coming down towards 1712. Maybe you might get positions here, chat. Maybe you might get positions here. Let me see looking left here real quick. I can just scroll left here. Sorry, it took 1,000 years. Yeah, because now, if y'all take a close look, if you guys take a close look, we're breaking back into this range here, 716, right? So we create a top wick. The hourly candle close bearish too. If we could, yeah, 1 hour close below too. 1 hour you can stay close below this resistance here. If you could create a top wick, which you are, we tap most recent resistance. You re-break the current candle low. It sucks that we came down so far, but you re-break this low here. There's a high chance price is gonna come down, fill the range, and then maybe even break back into the range here at 1710, which should take us down towards 1701. So let's see. Thing is, like, it's not the 4 breaker lows. The 4 breaker lows is gonna be down at 1711, which is the initial sells that we wanted. But we can take advantage of this range fill. I just wish the low here wasn't this low. I wish the current candle just didn't flip yet. Otherwise, we'll have ourselves up on a flip. Yeah, this 15 close bullish week, respecting that resistance there. I mean, 30-minute time frame, at least you have range going down here, at least until 1712. 1 hour respected resistance. Let me see, looking left real quick before I just. Let's go real quick. So quick on Discord. I'll take a look at it after. Give me a second. Kind of locked in here. I want to see what this 1 hour count did. Last time it closed below 1717. Because range 1, but day bias already bearish, huh? Listen. Oh wait. Well, this yeah, day bias is bearish, right? Initially. 1717. Yeah, this thing's gonna drive down to 1712. 1712 probably here in this case. Yeah. I'm gonna have a sell stop here, chat. Current 1 hour stops. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of the current candle lows here. Basically at 1714, 780. Sell stops here. TP at 1701 probably for runners. Stop loss is gonna be the current candle highs. So it's gonna be up here at 1717. But overall break-even point is gonna be down here at the 1713 mark. So stops are pretty small. TP is like 1701 for runners, but overall my first initial TP is 1708. So that's what we're gonna have here today. All right, so that's here. Taking advantage of this range here. We're breaking back into the range. Price came up, create a nice top wick. This thing flips bearish here, breaks the lows. The high chance you could respect the highs to drop down towards 1712 minimum. 20-point range going down, and the rest is whatever happens after. But yeah, got sell stops there. On the break of the current candle low, not previous candle low. All right. Yeah, it's like a maybe a 2 pip difference. Yeah, TP is 1701. Because that's where if you're anticipating range to get filled, you're anticipating the 4 candle to flip as well and break the lows. And stop loss is only 23 pips, or 17.192 or 17.200. Yeah, sell doesn't break out lows, chat. Almost activated, not yet. So wait, be patient here. But yeah, it should be good for the most part once you rebreak those lows. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Almost. On Blue Bear Markets, the sell stops it's gonna be 1714.71 on Blue Bear Markets, so it's gonna be a little lower, but that's because the price looks different off of TradingView and Blue Bear Markets. All right. All right, T. Not activated yet. Almost. Didn't break the lows yet. The lows are 1780. Okay, it's not the flip, it's the low. We're about a pip and a half away. Yeah, 15 starter play too. You can say 15 starter play, 1 hour, 1 hour fake out back into the range. Because look, if you re-break the lows here, there's a high chance you'll probably drive down or fill the range, right? So like, let's say you come down, you fill the range, you tap 713 minimum, right? That's the next support. 713 is what on a 4 hour candle? It's basically almost a flip. So if we come down to almost a flip, you're risk free taking chances that this is a 4-hour range 1 still. Because going back to our original analysis this morning, that was a range 1 breakout on the 4-hour time frame. If you're anticipating that 4-hour candle break the lows, they're driving all the way down towards 1701, 1703 next, right? Obviously we probably won't drive down the initial push. We'll probably just drive down to 8am. At the 8am, we'll give you another push, but overall we should be down at 712 for 8am, and 8am should close back into the range, and then we should be good for runners coming straight down towards like 1701 today. Because the day bias will be bearish here, right? The weekly hasn't flipped. You create a top wick, it's a high chance you could flip within these areas here, because you did tap a pretty hard resistance at 723. Most recent top wicks were created there, so this thing flips bearish. There's a high chance you'll be good to flip for the weekly even. So, but yeah, current channel stops. Chat, current channel stops. This trade will be, chat, a 1-hour fake out back into the range here. So 1-hour fake out back into the range, probably be on the, you can say a fake out or a breakout. I'll say more a fake out. So 100% of the fake outs, breakouts, or 1-hour time for 70%. Fake out on the 1-hour using current candle high or low is 100%. So we haven't lost a trade like this year yet. Oh, didn't break the lows yet, guys. Didn't break the lows yet. About to get activated though. Very close. We're like basically, well, right now 3 pips away, but I think we're 1 pip away earlier. There's no spreads too, so on sells at least, so we should be good. My sell is exactly in the breakout lows, 1714.73 on Blueberry. Seven eight pistol support. Yeah, but that's the vantage point. You fill the range here, you're risk free there, right? If there's a support there, your move starts to break even there. That's your risk free point, because you're taking advantage of the range fill, but you know that price were to tap that support, price may struggle there. When price struggles, obviously that's where you want to take advantage of the risk free or yeah, move starts to break even or close partials. I'll probably just move stops to break even at like 713, 748, and then close half at 713. That's what I'm going to do. 0.100. Still close, chat. No, chat. Breakout or fake out, current high or low off of the 1-hour. 100% win rate. I think we've won because the fake outs, like we've taken like 17 fake outs this year. I mean, obviously that's not enough data, but I mean we haven't lost 70 over our fake outs alone. We haven't really lost in positions on fake outs. So pretty high probability trade. I'm not saying this to make you guys over risk or anything, obviously, but I'm saying overall as a trade, the data we kept for the year on this specific trade, very high chance to play out. So yeah, 7-3 on Blueberry. Yep, CX, correct. We're bug activated here. We're like a 2 pips away, 2.5 pips. Okay, 2 pips, 1.9, 1.8. Hasn't even broken the lows yet, right? No, not yet. I guess that 10 pips. the trade. Think posting numbers done. I got 7-3 on blue bear markets. 7-8 is a Wanda, so obviously Wanda and your brokers are gonna be a bit different, but I mean, it hasn't broken at lows in either. Like Wanda has broken at lows and blue bear has broken at lows. Yeah, 15 hasn't broken at lows yet. Very close. Like a pip away. Almost. Got clapped in GJ. How'd you get clapped in GJ? How'd you get clapped on GJ? Let's go here and add this trade. Almost at 25k, guys. Whoa. We're like probably, I think like 50 subs away. That's crazy. 25k, a quarter away to 100k. That's pretty close if you think about it that way. What is this? 165. I'm in the future. Just add this here in case we get activated. I just want to have it here. Sells off the fake out. Is it a fake out again? Yeah, you can say a fake out back into the range. Perfect. And then current higher low, and then off the 30, and then full risk since it's 20 pip stops, which is 2%. Use over 100k already. I mean, slow pace. I appreciate where I am right now. Got bigger dreams, but you know, I'm not mad about it. Pretty happy with where I'm at. Hard grinding year though. Last year hard grind as well. I think last year was a bunch of harder grind, because last year, honestly, beginning of last year, no one knew about us, you know. But this year, I mean, not people know about us. It's just a lot more drama. A lot of people trying to start some stuff with us, but that's why you know you kind of got bigger, because when you start getting drama. But you know, avoid drama at all costs, chat. Don't put yourself in that mix, you know. Try to keep yourself away from that. A lot of people in the industry claiming to, you know, so and so do good for the industry that are the ones starting all the drama up. So I think I tweeted that. I think I did tweet that. Almost activated again. Almost activated, guys. Not very close. If you don't get active by 7:45, I just delete self stops and wait for the outlet candle to close at 8 a.m. up and almost is showing green and activated. Nice. So got in some sells here, guys. Sells have been activated. The sells are from here, regular current candle low. The stop loss is the current candle high for 23 pips, and the TP is made down at 1701 for runners. I know that might seem crazy, but again, I broke it down earlier with the weekly and the daily and the 4-hour candle, so that's where we're anticipating. But overall, our monsters will love this trade probably. Break-even point again would be 1713.815. If you can break the 1 hour lows, well, right there you just did, great. I was gonna say, if you can break the 1 hour lows, that'll be great, because you'll be clearing that over a 1 hour candle. But yeah, did it break? I think it just broke, right? Oh no, it did. It came very close, like a pip away, half a pip. But break-even point is 713 for me, guys. That's the next minor support. So at that support, I think that's gonna be like a 9% profit probably. At that point, you're taking advantage of that range there, and you're just gonna move stops to break even. All right, T. Cool. If you can come down to 713, because now you have clean traffic here until you can say there's support down here, minimum. Ooh, 30-minute no top wick, chat. I'm actually gonna move stops to break even here. Actually, 30-minute has no top wick, and look where the high you created out on 30-minute was. So if 30-minute created a high here, there's no reason we should re-break the high if your price wants to drive down here. So at this point, you want to move stops to break even. We have no bottom wick on 30, and if you re-break the highs, you're highly likely gonna be hitting. We're gonna be flipping and creating maybe a steeper 1 hour top wick here. So, and also you hit the break-even point basically too. You came down, you tapped that support level. Yeah, this is a risk-free trade minimum. There's no reason not to go risk-free here. Not closing half or anything, but it is a risk-free. There's no reason to add a risk to a line here, especially if it's tapping to a strong 1 hour support. I guess that was the original plan. I guess we moved it to like where we initially wanted it to. So it's not like we just thought of it doing it right now. Like, you can't tap the 713, 815. 30 minutes, no top wick. Perfect. This thing flips bullish. Look where it's gonna go. If flips bullish, it's probably gonna come back up. Maybe even break the highs at 1713. Come up to like this area right here. Might reject that support. Who knows? But the advantage point was filled, right? And that's what advantage points is. Advantage points is just clean traffic until the next near support. And in this case, we took advantage of that, right? So if we drive through, that's great, because the next step now is going to be breaking the 4 lows, but that's going to be roughly, I'll say, 23 pips away for us, right? 23 pips away. So if we can come down there, we're perfect. We're cleared, man. If we come down there, we're clear for the next 4 candle even. We come all the way down towards 1704 today. 1701 for huge runners. But if we can come down to 713, I want to close partials here. We're like maybe 10 pips away from closing partials. 8 pips away. Yeah. To get 10 pips in profit, you can definitely do stuff here, chat, but no partials for me just yet. Cool. Patience. No drawdown. No motions here, chat. All planned before the trade was even taken, right? And that's how it should be. You shouldn't be entering impulsively, because then you exit impulsively, or your manager is impulsively. You should have a plan. You should stick to the plan. The plan here: wait for the top wick, re-break the lows, stops to break even, advantage point. Done, done, and done. We did our job. There's nothing we can do now. You can close half you want, whatever you want to do, but my plan is just let it ride. There's nothing you can do here in this situation at all. But I've seen people saying these weren't good sells or whatever, but then they chat. I've been here long enough to understand that I gotta trust my analysis and not, you know, someone else's that's trading completely different, right? Trust our win rate, trust our spreadsheet, right? Trust our trade. The fake out off the 1 hour using current higher lows was 100% this month, or this year, sorry, not this month. So like, you know, nothing's wrong with that trade. It was a perfect trade. Perfect, everything aligned with us. Now if we can just run it, we run. That'd be great. Raja's here. What up, Raja? What's going on? Very cool. Close at 7. Happy with it? That's fine. Chat, I'm gonna go ahead and close I think 50% here actually at around 12 pips, 11 pips here with spread. So I'm gonna close half my positions right here. Yeah, 11. Get the half running here. All right, so securing that. We're coming down to maybe the last 4 or 5 of the alley candle, coming down, tapping that 1 hour 30-minute support there. So half closure here, and now we got runners towards TP. So
she's a runner, she's a track star.
www.com. Cool. All done live. Hey, the thing continues, I guess. The 100% win rate for the fakeouts. Cool. So let's see what happens now. But I think overall should be good. If we can just break the 4 lows, that's the next step here. Because from here into the 4 lows, guys, that's gonna be very tough. Like, you don't know what's gonna happen here. We have no advantage points. We kind of came down already. For now until then, though, it's gonna be whatever happens. We're like, I think at once 10 pips away. So 1711, 778 is the 4 breakout lows. You break that low, you come down to filter range, clean traffic towards 1710. I believe that's where the day count flips. So not bad. Look where it tapped though. It tapped that line perfectly too. I've honestly would have rather getting on the flip here on this 1 hour candle, but the thing is, like, it came down, it made a low before I came up to create a top wick. If it didn't make a low yet and it just create a top wick first, I would have been fine with a sell stop on a flip, right? Perfectly fine with that. But in this case, it was just tough. We had to really get in a little lower, which sucks because we want runners and we're likely less to survive the runners from here compared to the flip of the candle. Okay, trace taken. When we continue chat, I think we're on a 6 streak. Right? 6 streak. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4, 5 streak. Sorry, 5 streak. Signal's on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 streak. Cool. Let's hope it doesn't break even though, so you guys can get runners too. I know you guys want runners. What am I doing? What am I typing out the signals? Gold sells plus 11 pips. Runners. Yo, chat, we're in a good position here, to be honest, where our break-even point, which our entry is the top of this 30-minute candle. The only thing you gotta survive next is the 1 hour candle pullback, because this candle's gonna pull back here the last 15 here, unless it drives through, but it's gonna pull back and it's gonna create a top on the next 1 hour candle. This 1 hour candle here, if it hits break even, we'll get another entry at ADM. Wouldn't be too worried, because the ADM, chat, if this is your support right here, on gold here, you close below this range here, below 713. There's a high chance the next 1 hour candle will likely drive back into the range. You come back into the range here, and then we'll likely come down to fill the range at 1708, right? So that's the next position you can probably take here. But for that to happen, you need a closure below first, and that may come at probably 8 a.m. But again, the top wick, right? You gotta survive that. So it'll be better if you don't have a second entry, but if we're kind of forced to if it hits break even. Good spot though to be in. Easy sells, thanks, Don. What up, Marcos? Thank you, Marcos. Thank you, Marcos. As long as the 2 chances to get a possible entry, yeah. Entry 1 here, entry 2 on the breakout lows. Back into the range. This is a great example, chat, of of advantage points. Risk manager next level. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. May hit break even here, chat. 30 had no bottom wick there, right? So this thing closes here. The 1 hour candle would be, yeah, I say as long as the 1 hour candle closes below 1713, 617, it should be good. Oh, didn't hit break even just yet. Very close. And about to hit break even. About to hit the break even. On the flip here of this candle here. Fighting off break even. Nah, we can't fight it off here. It's about to hit break even. And the break even been hit. Yeah, 7th been hit. Yeah, so not bad. Partial closures, break even point been hit. Amount chat on that trade there. On to the next trade. So now what we can do is to say, okay, well, same cells, but the resistance could be a little higher. Could be right here for ADM. So we have about 15 minutes left. On the stream though, chat, you know, you can fake a live account, you can fake your own broker, you can fake a fake MT4. I think, I don't know if you can fake MT5 though, but you can fake a lot of things, but you can't fake a live trade taken on stream, you know. You can fake results, you could, you know, modify your positions on your own broker, but you cannot fake live results on a spreadsheet with on stream at least, right? You can't, because the live markets, you can't really fake those things. Those things are just kind of, everyone just sees the same thing, right? At the live time. So okay, it's pip secured 11. Cool. All right, not bad. Keying up. 83 on overall, not bad. 83, go 85. Wow. After that trade, they would get us at 86. I guess not. And then signals here 83, yearly 87. Okay, not bad. I'll take it. Oh, did it flip bullish? It did, right? Yeah, it didn't break the highs though. Didn't break the highs though, but it did flip bullish. I think the high was 730, 840. Came up to like 840. Yeah, it didn't break it. It came right at it. But could pull back. Go about dump. If it drives, it drives. Nothing I can do here, man. Nothing I can do here. If it drives, it drives. But here, now we're gonna get the, but Don, you move stocks to break even too early. Hey, man. That was my plan. I stuck with my plan. And as long as that's my plan, I won. Nothing I can do here in this case. Question on Discord? Where's the question? I risk 1 to 2%. What's the next plan? 1 hour closure below the range. I believe we can definitely still tap 1701 today. You just gotta break the lows first. We break the lows here, we get a push for ADM 820 COMEX fills the range, or 2 830, or 3 the 4 candle at 9 a.m. closes back in the range below 1712, right, or 1710. Next 4 candle drives down towards 1701. So make sure to look at today's chat, 8:15, 8:20. Look at those times, or 8:15, 8:30. Those are your pushes, or 9:30, 9 a.m., 9:30. Those are your 2 counts today that can take you down. If those counts don't take you down, we're probably not gonna drive for the rest of the day. But because you need closures, right? And to get closures, you need those set of volumes. So in community, are you Emma? I DM'd you back. You asked me that question on DM too. I DM'd you back. Yeah. I'm like just I mean I risk 1 or 2% per trade, so I mean I'm not sure even it's not about taking multiple positions. You can take multiple positions, still risking 1%. It's more so about your percentage risk and how much you're comfortable with risking per trade. Let's say I believe that really. Sorry, I slipped up. Maybe I meant I think y'all hit break even 100%. The thing hit break even, and the thing came up like an extra 2 pips for sure. Hit break even. Okay, next year we're gonna add a percentage risk to the spreadsheet, so it's gonna take us some time. But end of the year we're gonna rework the spreadsheet. We're gonna make like a little you know, a bunch of charts, like a pie chart, whatever, bar charts, analyzing like what we could have done better this year off of these stats right here. What could we look to not take next year, and then next year add a percentage column, so you guys see percentages gain column on the spreadsheet right here probably next year. And also you guys will probably see some maybe new plays next year, right? But for the most part, I mean the plays remain the same, man. I haven't really changed anything all year. The playbook is the exact same the way it was beginning of the year. Nothing has really changed. By the way, if you guys want to copy it, go make sure you guys download controlfx.com for free. So what? It's so rigged. Oh, brother. I'm gonna log into my Twitter here. Chat, I made a new Twitter, by the way. If you guys want to follow my Twitter, it's more of the FX account. It's not my personal, so it's called it's Donvo. Same username as my IG. Go follow my Twitter up. Probably gonna see the most toxic Twitter comments there, probably, but it's all right. You know, we vibing. All right, let me just sign to my Twitter. What's my email? What though? Backshot. I guess this is where we post charts and argue about what strategy is best in the replies. Damn, I haven't used Twitter in a while. Look at this. Our record for most views today, 673 plus people. Love you guys for real. Damn, son, that was last year almost. I was like a year and some change. Sheesh. 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 Those new here. We're live every morning, Monday to Friday. Jeez. 3K subs. March 15, 2021. Damn. Look at this old logo. This old username. Damn. That's crazy. You have 30 analysis? Us 30? You guys want us 30? I got you guys. Us 30 here. So us 30, you're gonna see us 30 for the weekly is right now, you can say we're in a range here from basically here to basically here. This range right here is gonna be a range of probably 1600 points, which is 160. It's 160. No, sorry. 16,000 points, which is 160 pips, or 1600 pips, basically in that range there. Yeah, that's the range we're in right now. Like we've been closing pretty like bullish, bearish, but it's all respecting this resistance. So that's the resistance alone. You haven't closed above yet, and at any given point, I think it's still flip for the weekly. So I believe just thinking flips bearish this week below 31,200. We can probably drop down for the range at 29 or even like 3,500. Overall for positions, though, today I think the day bias is bullish. You are at this resistance again, so it's bullish, but I mean, I think you need a range too for buys. So regarding the small time frame, I think buys would be above here, 31,700. I think that's range twos. That would be pretty clean. Above there, going up towards next resistance up here at the 31,183 mark would be pretty nice. So that'd be pretty great. I think that range going up is roughly 400 points or 4,000 points, 400 pips going up on US 30. And there won't be any sells until you break below here. Probably sells be below here, because you break below here, you're breaking back to this range here, then you have clean traffic coming down towards 3,900, maybe even 3,700. That range going down is going to be 4,000 points, 400 pips. So yeah, that's my US 30 analysis. I was above 31,750. All right, Pat, remember what? I think you gotta wait for NYC to close here, or NY open up first minimum. Last year's onion play, no, it was the fake out. If you go into spreadsheet, it shows a trade. So it was basically just this. This is a sell, just a fake out back into the range. See how the 1 hour candle closed back into the range. Same with the 30-minute candle. That was a trade. Where do you think ADM volume bring gold? Well, it comes down to how it closes, but if it does close below like 1712, ADM volume's gonna drive price down, especially with Colmex. Like then you have an advantage point towards 1710, which is even bigger, because the advantage point there would be like 50 pips almost. The advantage point we had earlier was like 10-15 pips, right? It was a bit different. So yeah, it's definitely clean. How'd you meet Wix and Marcos? Wix and I met through the stream, so he was literally from the live streams. He came from someone else's live stream. He's like, I honestly thought he was a troll when he first came. I was like, yeah, whatever. This guy's name is Wix9. You know, like he listens to 6ix9ine and he's just chilling. Yeah, I thought he was a troll, so I literally banned him a couple times because he was asking troll questions out first, or the mods timed them out, but he kept showing up, and then eventually, somehow, some way, he got into the live streams, got into the Zoom call, and now he's part of the streams. And then as for Marcos, I met Marcos through the course. Marcos paid to play, basically. He just paid for the course, and now he had access to the course, the Zoom calls, and then, you know, showed up every day, started asking questions, and kind of clicked, and then yeah, we lit now. Playing Apex, vibing. That's how we met. And pay for lifetime invest membership in installment? No, we don't take installments, sorry. Just save up, man. Take your time, man. There's no rush. You can pay by in 10 years, who knows? Next year, take your time. Just, it's not going anywhere. Still here. This song is mad depressing, chat. Jeez. I can't play this. What am I doing? Let's go on the live streams. Do you do crypto at all? I have XRP. Oh no, I have Ethereum. Yeah, it's like crypto is pretty easy, chat. It's like if you're bullish, you're bullish. Like if you're long-term bullish and you believe crypto is gonna be here and it's gonna change the way the world works and all this other stuff, then just buy crypto and hold. There's no need to even talk about it. It's like, okay, it's just your investment, right? It's just what you believe in. If you believe that future is crypto, then just buy crypto. Like there's no reason to analyze the charts and figure out what the best price to get into is at, because if you're bullish, you're bullish. Like price hasn't even moved yet if you think about it long term. Like if you're bullish and you think pricing goes to 100k 200k, just buy now at 10, buy now whatever it's at right now. I don't know what's at 20 30, but buy whatever it is now. Just hold. Right? Like what's 10k gonna do? Like what's the difference in getting at 10k and 40k and 50k, where in the future price could hit 250k? Like what's really the difference, right? That's my thoughts on crypto. And why isn't this thing playing? Oh wait, site's muted. How about the course once the V2 comes out? V3 came out already. V3 minor edition came out. It's all free. The updates are free. Every year I update the course. It's all free. It's all free. It's just you guys pay for a lifetime. Why would I charge you guys again? Or why would I put it on sale even? Right? One, putting a course on sale would kind of be disrespectful for those that actually bought the course already. Because it's like, why am I giving others a discount? So that's why we never go on sale. And as for versions, you get free updates. There's no reason to charge you guys for an update. Like, what's the point? What's it gonna do for me? Hello, James FX. How are you? Vibing? You know, chat's kind of on one today for some reason, but it's not even chat. It's just the industry, I guess. You're just chilling, man. We're gonna just chill and play Apex later. Chat, I was on Apex for 8 hours yesterday, man. With Loopy, it was a grind. We were grinding, and I wasn't even tired. I'm not gonna lie, chat. We might have to ban everyone in the industry's name again, honestly. Just like good or bad, just ban their names just cause like everybody like in the industry, because I don't want to be part of that drama, bro. Like, it's not even like we start the drama up. It's just people just put us in it for no reason. So it's like, why don't we just like ban their name in chat so you don't have to like discuss, you know what I mean, in the first place. Kind of useless, to be honest. When was last time you addicted to the game? Warzone. I played Warzone for like 2 years. Warzone's fun, but it's kind of dry right now. What camera are we using now? We're using the Sony A7 III. Best thing to do. Bad thing. Here's the thing. You ban names. Oh, we mentioned this guy's name in the chat and they ban your name. They don't like you. It's always something. Like you honestly can't win. It's always something in chat. I clock out. Honestly, my head usually hurts. I usually get like, what's it called? I don't get in Apex so much. I get in Warzone a lot, but motion sickness. I don't get that in Apex a lot, but I think it's because I got a new mouse in one, and I also changed my sensitivity, which I was thinking as well. I want to do the benchmark with this mouse. I want to see if it'll change because of the mouse. Hold on. All right, hold on. I'm not ready yet. I'm ready. Okay, never mind, chat. Never mind. It's just me. All right, so let's take a look here at GJ. So the GJ for the daily is obviously bullish here. Yeah, the 1 hour here closed bearish. It closed bearish, respecting that support. For a 1 hour starter play would be great. Yeah, if you can break the high at the 1 hour starter play would be lovely here, actually. Because you have a range going up of probably, I think, 24 pips here. So if we can come down, create a bottom wick and break the high, there may be some sell stops here. 30-minute onion play, right? Fake out back into the range on the 30-minute time frame as well, you can say. Range 1. And the 1 hour break of the high sort of starter play at the same given time. So that wouldn't be too bad for positions. As for gold closed basically bullet doji back into the range here. You can still drop down, don't get me wrong. I think the 15 is still respecting those levels there, but I think it's best to wait for a closure below 1712 here at this point, man. It's a lot cleaner below there. Below the support to the left, 712. Yeah, but gold Comex is looking sauce. Yeah, it is for sure. 820 here. For show. Nah, on Warzone I turned off motion blur. The headset, not really. I think it's my mouse, man. My sends was very low in that game. It was like 400 DPI and like 6 cents, 7 cents. So I use my arm to aim. Online drama, yeah, I know. Masters and Apex, damn. Yeah, I just started playing. Hey, I can hit plat maybe today. GG clean here in their opinion? Yeah. They're both clean. I mean, gold's not clean yet. Gold's no position on gold yet, but GJ is clean for sure. 16, no, I didn't. It's too high for me. Like I'm used to using my arm. I'm gonna have to adjust like gradually. I follow your Instagrams, even personal though. Your outfit look good. Thank you, appreciate it. Haven't bought clothes in a while though. Last night I bought were my glasses probably, but and then I've just been chilling. Gotta find a new addiction. My new addiction right now is Apex, which is not bad, my addiction at all. Very cheap, you know. Maybe you might spend $500 on a heirloom, but other than that, it's very cheap. Free game. Yeah, but just use higher DPI and lower sends. You will have lower response time. Oh, same sends convert it? Yeah. Which heirloom you getting? I don't know. There's no Horizon heirloom, so might get a Valkyrie and just use Valkyrie as a main. CSGO? Counter-Strike? No. I play Valorant a bit, but barely. Lifetime signals? No lifetime signals. Missiles go, so that's okay. Wait for that 30 candle. You'll be good. You'll see Vaughn coming at 8:15, 8:05, 8:15ish, 8:20. Nice bomber country J. Yeah. Look at gold. Pull that away. Look at gold chat. So inspirational. Look where it closed too, right? That's resistant here. Very lovely. Very lovely. AYEEE FOREX is dropping tomorrow. I haven't taken a look, to be honest. I did the same ones that leaked like last year. I think the clothing industry is pushing back into the big logos type stuff. Just have the logos back on. I think for a while they're very minimal with the logos, but now I think that thing's coming back. That whole trend of big logos on like clothes again. How I feel about the LV? No, I read that. If Warzone 2 has ranked like Apex, not for real, man. Man, we hit the Masters, whatever that is. Pred on Warzone for sure. It's gonna be sweaty though. Like you're gonna be lobbies with like streamers if you get to the high ranks. Is that gold sell from Friday or today? That gold sell was from today, this morning, at 7:30, 7:15 ish. Technically, there is a top wick. If you zoom in, there is a top wick. If you zoom in. Chat, this might be a long shot. Super long shot. But if you could break the 1 hour lows at 1712, 813, come up, create a top wick, and then close below 1712, 338, I'm in for positions. But I need that to happen. And I think what can happen here is if you break the lows right now, if you can come down, break the lows right here, and then Colmex opens up, pulls you back, comes back to like 716, breaks the highs, and then 830 candle, because that's 10 minutes after Colmex, comes back down, spends those 10 minutes coming back down, closing below. That'd be perfect. 830 we get a position. But that's the only way that scenario can really play out here for us to take a position. Because if you don't get positions at 830, then we're gonna have to wait till 9. At 9 a.m. is a 4 candle closure. And that sells below 1711, 1712. Right? Oh yeah, 1 hour break the low is cool. So that's that. Okay, now can Colmex open up and just do some wild stuff for us? This is where people get impulsive and start to enter positions, right? And calls it out. Well, if you think about it, I'm not really calling it out. I'm just going back to my playbook. Because chat, if you think about it, we technically do call it trades or call out moves beforehand, but that's just because we're calling out the playbook. And as we're calling out the playbook, that's just us recycling the same information we have over and over again. If you think about it, like the playbook is there because you spent all those years, all those months back testing, sample sizing, like data, right? And the same data repeats itself every given day. So whenever we draw our setups, we're just drawing out the market kind of is doing. So technically, yeah, in a way, but that's not what we're doing though. We're not really like predicting it. We're just kind of drawing off of what we know, right? I just took that in actually. It's pretty cool. Can we consider the 15-minute closure for entries? No top on alley candle. I'm kind of about it. I'd rather get the 1 hour top wick and then close below. But worst case scenario here, guys, we get a position at 9:30, 9 a.m. A little bit of waiting, but you know, it's a Monday. There's no rush. It's good start to the week so far. Invented by Downvolt. Man, I want to make this white for you guys, like make the PDF a white version, but I can't. It's not a PNG file, it's a PDF. Unless I could somehow do it, someone can invert it for us, that'd be great to white. But it's a lot of work. US 30. What's G doing here? GG bottom wick? Are you above the zone here? You sure are above the zone. Nice. Yep. Let's start with flips here. You have clean traffic towards 165, 630. Break the high as 10, and then you got runners towards here. I'm thinking either the 1 hour entry and the 30 minute break the highs, because 30 minute has range. The thing about the 30 though is you're not breaking the 1 hour highs, but the thing about the 1 hour kind of it already closed bearish, respecting that support. So if it flows bullish, there's a high chance it would drive up to the advantage point you have here, which is going to be 165, 650, which is 9 pips. At that point, you're closing half because it's pretty hefty resistance, or leaving runners if you guys want. But and then you have positions to 165, 900, which isn't too bad as well. 165, 900 is a range going up of approximately 36 pips here. I'm trying to see what happened here. So you're close above there, you're respected there, close above there, clean back up. Take above there and above here with these levels here. I'm just kind of locked into gold. That's why I'm really like little, you know, on GJ. Just I'm locked into gold. Last thing I want to do is see gold give us a better position later at 8:30, and like we're in GJ, so we can't take gold. That's the last thing I want to do. But it is good though. As for bottom wicks, it's like the perfect bottom wick here. NYC open. Forward candle has about 4-7 minutes for closure. Gold here is about close below in about a minute and a half. You have the pre-COMEX candle here opening up. So this for COMEX here, this is all I do chat. I'll see if the 820 candle, or yeah, 820 candle closes below like 1712. The COMEX open might drive price down towards 1707. If the COMEX candle at 1715, 720 closes respecting 1713, maybe in 713.450, then there's a high chance COMEX will likely drive up, give us a top wick for 830 to drive us down. So that's kind of why I'm playing in my head right now. Please change the music. I got you. Yeah. How big are stops on GJ? 1 hour stops. 1 hour stops are going to be roughly 20 pips for a TP at 33. Current count stops off the 1 hour 30 minute candle is going to be 14. I rather use the first count stops if I were to GJ. Let's see. This is 5 closes here in about 47 seconds. Not gonna lie, I did impulse and grab 10 pips on go. Is that bad? No, it's not bad. You just stuck to your plan. I mean, if your plan is to get an impulse there and that's your plan, you won. That's not a bad trade. It's not a bad trade, Chad. Just because you take an impulse, it comes down to your plan. If you didn't follow your plan, yeah, it's a bad trade. But if you follow your plan, it's a good trade. because then you can repeat the same steps again. All right, if this candle closes bullish here, that'd be great. Above 17,165, 470 here on the 5, because then I'll take the flip on the 30. 4, 3. Yeah, you're closing bullish like that support. Great, perfect. Yeah, chat. Gonna have a buy stop here on GJ. I believe you flip bullish here off GJ, you could drive out towards 165, 900 here. So we're gonna have a buy stop on GJ here. Right at 165, 557. All right. Yeah, buy stops and the break of current kind of highs. Account for spreads too during a buy position, so keep that in mind. All right. Stops are gonna be like 21 pips, so 165, 343. And as for the break-even points, that is gonna be a break-even point of right here at this resistance over here to the left-hand side. So right there, this is the break-even point. Yes, it's not that big of a range, but thing, it's price action, and price action shows that there's a resistance there, right? On a volatile day, this range going up could be 1,000 pips for all we know, but right in this current range right now, it's 6 pips, but there's a resistance there. So at that point, your move starts to break even. I'm not gonna close partials though. I'm just gonna let the trade rock. This move starts to break even there. I may close partials on maybe next resistance up here. If we come up to like 165, 700, I'll say. But no partial closures just yet, or no partial closures until you probably feel the wick there to the left. If you break the 1 hour lows, then simple as that, guys. You delete buy stops. All right, it's only valid if you break the highs here with respecting the current 30-minute low, because that's our initial stop. You break those lows, you're driving straight down to probably retrace, coming down towards like maybe 165, right? So there's no point being in buy stops there at that point. But I don't think anyone should be active. If you're activated, then I don't know what to tell you, man. You need to switch brokers or something, because godly is your broker off. Yeah, no one should be activated here. They came nowhere near. It came maybe maybe the closest is like 8 pips, 9 pips. If you have that spread out that wide, you should not be trading on that broker, or you shouldn't be scalping on that broker. Sorry, more of a swing broker. Probably takes more probably takes less commissions, more on spreads. It's all fun and games till your broker style's working, eh? What's this depressing music today, chat? Like, what is this? Gloomy weather? It's good to style, nice. Good positions. 1 hour wick fill. Yeah, the 1 hour is definitely fill the wick. 1 hour fills that wick, it breaks the lows. You should be good to 165 for selves. If it breaks the lows. The vibe, it's kind of depressing right now. I don't know why. Man, this music is... All right, 8:15 here. Yeah, COMEX open here, chat. Looks like you're respecting the support here. So if the COMEX candle here is the previous 5 and this 5 is respecting the support, right? 8:15 closed bearish, but closed bearish. I guess you can stay close back into the range. They can definitely still drive in the 15-minute candle, but you need a top wick here. So if the COMEX candle could come up to like 117.16 and then reflip bearish, I may have a self stop on the breakout lows in this 15. Or sorry, wait for 8:30 and then have a self stop, right? Because look at the pre-COMEX. If it's rejecting here, I mean, let's see what happens. There's no positions here for me for Comex, but this is part of my homework that we've been doing every day for the past couple of months here. So let's see it today. We're on point with it again. Just trying to align the Comex open with our analysis, right? Yeah, we can come up to like 17, 15, 17, 16 here. That'd be great. And okay, Comex and oh, bottom wick, flip, drive up. No, rejecting. Breaking highs, going once, going twice, coming back down, not breaking the highs, creating on bottom wick. Could it break the highs? On its way to break the highs. Yeah, now it's breaking the highs, it's pushing up. So now that it's breaking the highs, you can look to come up. I guess not. That's cool though. Chat, that was pretty on point analysis today. We said if we can break the 1 hour lows and then come up, create a top wait for Comex, which could happen right here, and then close below for 8:30, right? Because you have 10 minutes left from Comex 8:30. We can get a sell stop for 8:30. We literally called it play by play. Literally play by play. Mixing technicals with, you know, fundamentals. Broly, if you're in chat, we could clip that low key. All right, cool. So now the top wick's creating. So when I never had a top wick, so now the top wick's being created here. I want to see it come up to like 1716, 1717-ish for top wicks here, chat. And then a closure below will give us a stop loss of roughly like 30 pips, 45 maybe. It's maybe a bit wide, but yeah, chat. Looks like GG is gonna not activate our buy stops. Where do we call out? Last year's Onion Play? No, it was alright, let me just sign to my Twitter. I'm gonna log get some time, but bro, you know where it is, Broly? I risk 1 to 2%. And I think I can do it here. If it drives, it drives. But here, now we're gonna get the but Don, you move starts to break even too early. Where do you do it? Where's that? Do the course. I also changed this back on, I think for a while for us. Has range. Yeah, we're just kind of drawing off of what we know. Moves beforehand and start to enter positions, right? Oh, we technically do call it trade. Look, that's just play out here. Back down, close, and opens. I'm in it for position. Here. You could right here, lock it in. Super long shot, but super long shot. Break the 1 hour lows at 1712, 813. Come up, create a topic, and then close below 1712, 338. I'm in it for positions, but I need that to happen. And I think what can happen here is if you break the lows right now, if you can come down, break the lows right here, and then Comex, pay attention, chat. Right? Pay attention. This is key. Opens up, pulls you back, comes back to like 716, breaks the highs, and then 830 candle, because that's 10 minutes after Comex, comes back down, spends those 10 minutes coming back down, closing below. That'd be perfect. 830 we get a position, but that's the only way that scenario can really play out here. Delete JJ? Oh yeah, delete those buy stops. Yeah, chat, deleting buy stops on JJ here. We broke the lows, so there's no buy stops here. Ike pulling his phone out. Yeah, chat, deleting buy stops here.
What's going on, man?
Hey, where the glasses at?
Got a little microphone for here, so I feel like I'm.
Whoa!
Hey.
Damn, microphone. Is that from Prime Day?
No. get my lights on too.
Oh, yo, this. Hey, he got the whole setup, Chad. You brought the setup with him. Got the lights on.
Little boy blue. We got little boy blue. That's it.
Little boy blue.
All right. We good to go. FOREX Batman in the house.
Damn, how y'all all these things with you? You just bought it like recently?
Yeah, dude, Prime Day, bro. This shit was like $3. You know, it's a fake mic.
Also, it doesn't actually work.
No.
I was gonna say, kind of lit.
Just for shits and giggles. You made me enough money with the signals, so I figured I could spend $3 to $5 on Amazon.
Yeah, I didn't pay him, Chad. I didn't pay him for that. That was not for me.
That's right.
Drive safe. Yeah, in Tezzy, man. All probably he's chilling. Still gotta drive a little bit, but
just chilling. Yeah.
Kind of lit. That's crazy.
Yeah, man. So we blew today on that first one, you know? No
Yeah.
red. No red.
No red, no red, just yet. I gotta change this thing.
That's
Give me
it.
a second. Hey, the glasses.
That's it. I'm back.
Yeah, Chad, we deleted buy stops here on GJ. You broke the lows on 30. There's no positions on buys, I'll say, until the 4 count closes, because the 4 count's gonna leave a wick fill probably. So the 4 count can close above like the range at 165,500 in about 33 minutes. That'd be great. As for gold, like, did we even create a top wick? We came like maybe a pip and a half away from creating a top wick. It's kind of tough. Literally a pip and a half away, but you can say like price attempted to create a top wick. Let's see, 8:30 closes here in about 2.5 minutes. We close below. There's a very high chance you still drive down here. We may still get positions. I just want to see if we could let's see look left real quick. You don't like the shape of the nano leaf colors? How come? Looks a little more oh, I got some extra ones too as well. Some small shapes. Let's see, 30-minute candle should be right here, March 8th. This is a pain. Yeah, below here would be ideal. Yeah, below here would be clean. 1712 673. Tesla got on fire today. That's what you're known as from now on, Ike. Tesla guy.
Yeah, I know. I gotta just change my name.
I'm Tesla guy. It's not a bad name though. I'll take it.
Not bad. It could be worth better than like Honda guy, I guess. Or something.
What's wrong with Honda?
No. I don't want to get Honda monsters out. Never mind.
The Honda monsters out.
Yeah, you know, there's monsters everywhere. I was watching you play a little Apex the other day, yesterday.
Do you play?
Nah, I play Oculus, like the VR.
Ah.
I don't think my PC is good enough to stream well. I mean, for those fast graphics. So I mess with Oculus, but I play a lot of those first-person shooters, but on VR. You know.
It's pretty fire. I can't play VR. I know I'll just faint or something. I'll get lightheaded.
It's so much fun, man. It's great.
Oh, we have a closure here, guys, in 30 seconds. Can you close below the range here? The only way I'll take a sell is if you close below the range. Like right here is perfect. Below 1712 673. Okay. Volume down a bit, Dong, on what the music? Is that too high? Or on what? Yeah, you close below here, chat. Top wicks, I'll probably want to see like 1714, 473, 1713, 851. And then this 30-minute candle likely should drive down, coming down towards minimum next support, which is going to be somewhere around here, I'll say. Minimum 1708, but obviously the top wick is what you need first. And then runner positions coming down towards 1701 here. But again, you're going to wait for a top wick. If it drives here, it drives, but I need a top wick. Looking left, like minimum top wicks are gonna be like 17. I'll say minimum. I'll play sell stops the moment it taps 17, 14, 305. Until then, no positions for me. I'll wait for the 4-hour candle. The music's too loud. Is it really? Is that better? How do we close here? Oh wow, we close bearish on J. Gone? Yes, so if it's gone, it's gone. Here's what I'm gonna do, man. This is the best I can do for music chat. I can't do anything. Find me a free channel that plays it all day. I'll play it, but this is the best I can do. I mean, what's wrong with the music? It's just there. That shouldn't be the focus though, right? I'm not gonna watch this guy. His music sucks. Hey, that's why you tune to the beginning of the stream chat and the ending. You know, that's when we play actual music. Watching Dawn while eating ice cream? Eating Dawn while watching ice cream. What? Vice versa, brother. Alright. We're coming close to the top wick scenario areas here. So we may have some sell stops very soon here, guys. Let's lock it in. If everyone just locks it in here, we'll get a nice sell stop. You just need a top wick. But it's probably gonna break our lows, but most likely. I don't have the ending yet. I'll let you guys know when I have a sell stop. Don't worry, don't stress. Just like the first trade. You guys will have it on my screen here, right? It'll all be said here. The KTP is gonna be 1701. Just pre-typing it, you know, because I gotta do a bunch of stuff. Yeah, as for top wicks, you break this low here, 17. I guess this resistance got tapped here. Most recent resistance just got tapped. We flip bearish. Current candle stops are going to be 30 pips. The current 1 hour stops are going to be 49. But overall, the 30-minute candle shouldn't re-break the high. So I'll probably use current candle stops in this case, which is going to be right now 24. So let's check. I'm going to have a sell stop right here. Sell stop at a 1711.431. Same position we drew out earlier. TP is 1701. Stop loss is a current candle high, wherever that is. But once it flips bearish, you'll see the current kind of high. Once it, sorry, not flips bearish. Once it re-breaks the lows, you have an official 30-minute high, and that official 30-minute high will be our official stop loss. So right now, it looks like it's gonna be roughly I mean, right now it's gonna be 25, 26, but it can come up to here, who knows? But we know that the top wick scenario has been tapped, so that's great. You just need it to flip now, and we'll be in. As for a break even, I'll say 17 over here-ish. This is the break even point. Cool. Cool. I got those. Change those headers. Template. Break in point. Cool. Yeah, check out sell stops here. Breaking point is 1710 416. This is the minor support to the left here, right? And then the next support you have later is gonna be down here at 1708. So at 1708 is when I'm moving my. I'm gonna close partials probably. In this case, maybe a little higher, maybe at 20 pip mark, but for now it's gonna be right here. I'll say right here, yeah. Closing 50% of here. All right, so that's the plan. That's the plan. That's the winning scenario for managing risk. In a losing scenario for managing risk, I'll probably wait for a 30-minute candle, see how it closes. If it closes above, or if the 1 hour candle closes above 1714 419 at 9 a.m., we'll just close positions or delete sells, sorry, close positions or close partials. But this is how we're managers for sell positions. All right, this is a sell stop. Oops, sorry. This is a sell stop 1711 431. This is the breaking point 710 416, and the partial closures are gonna be 1708 third piston profit, and the runner is gonna be down towards 1701. Yeah, my fault, Woods. I just changed it. My fault. Didn't realize. Yeah, so this is a high right now. It's gonna be a stop loss 1714 300. If that's the high, then the stop loss is gonna be right now 27 pips. This is gonna be, you can say, a 30-minute breakout using the current higher low. So 30-minute breakout. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. Second trade of the day. Same position. Sells on the breakout off the current higher low, off the 30. Part full risk. Yeah, current higher low, breakout 30. 30 current higher low. Where's the current higher low? Yeah, right there. 93% on this trade this year so far. So go overall, yeah, 30-minute time frame, breakout current higher low. Right, breakout current high low 30 breakout current high low 90%. Breakout this year overall in general all time frames is 80%. Current high low is 87-ish%, 67 trades taken, and 30-minute time frame is 96.3%. So very high chance the trade plays out, obviously. But if you don't activate by 7:45, then I just delete sell stops and wait for the 4 candle close / the 1 hour candle close. All right, that's the deal. That's what we're gonna do here. Y'all in? No, we got sell stops. 1711 431. 3, 2, 1. On Blue Bear markets, it's 1711.38. So adjust accordingly. But it's basically right there on the breakout lows. Capiche? Because you can say right now price is basically mirroring to the left here. You can say it's mirroring this candle to the left right here. You can say price is mirroring these candles here to the left. This one right here. All right, so it should take you down towards the break-even point minimum, 1708. He's got to activate now, because if it doesn't activate within the next 5 minutes, we're kind of chalked until 9 a.m. Unfortunately. Where we learn about comics? Sample sizing. Step 1, Google what comics is. Step 2, understand what it is, and then apply it to the charts with technical analysis off of your own sample sizing, because that's the best sample sizing. That's what I've been doing this year. Heard about comics starting maybe March, shout out to Ted. Came to our streams, talked about it. I think it was maybe January, February, around there. And then we started to apply the concept starting, I'll say 3 months ago. We've been back testing it, sample sizing it every day at 815, 820. Been pretty accurate though, I'll say, for the most part. But obviously we need more work there. So next year, 2023, is when we'll start applying those positions. Take positions at 820 candles. And yeah, we'll look for a way to use that in our favor. But probably next year, to be honest. What's your exact sell stop? I just said it. Blueberry market sell stops are 17.11 and 0.38. 0.38. Not 4.3. 4.31, obviously on some brokers could be that, but it's gonna be 38. It's barely a difference. Barely a difference. Maybe like a pip too. Like less than a pip. It's a rebreak of the 4 count lows too. So if the 4 count breaks the lows like it did, this is a 4 fake out. This is the first thing I said today about this analysis overall is the 4 fake out. This is a range 1-4 time frame. So this range here has a very high chance to get filled, coming down towards 1701, and then maybe continuing down for a day as well. He's got to close below in the 4 candle. Yeah, if it breaks highs here, chat, I mean, it's getting very close here. Let's see, I'll give it an extra minute. If it doesn't activate within the next minute or so, we're probably gonna delete sell stops and then wait for the 9 a.m. candle to close, because it's the last 15 of the hourly, last 15 of the 4 candle. That's a stop loss. Current kind of high. Current kind of high. Nice. You got gold flip bullish. So we obviously deleted stop buy stops, whatever. But see how the 1 hour candle respected that support there to the left, right? It closed bearish, yes, but it closed bearish respecting that support. High chance to flip. So right now it's on the way to flipping, and it's great for the forward candles, especially in 17 minutes here for GJ to drive. Yeah, chat. We're gonna delete sell stops here, guys. We're gonna have to wait for a 9 a.m. candle. So same position at 9 a.m. though, right? Yeah, deleting sell stops. Not because the trade is invalid or not valid anymore. More so because the trade is just better off wait for a 9 a.m. candle here. And hey, if it drives the last 5 minutes of this forward candle, then so be it. It drives. But at this point, wait for the forward candle to close, because if this forward candle can close back into the range like this, 9 a.m. is gonna be special. One special candle. Because then you'll see something like this happen. And we will have a 4 hour entry even. Maybe a 9 a.m. entry. Alright. Stay calm, chat. Stay collective, stay calm. If you're leaving positions, then I mean leave positions. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just your analysis. Cut the tail end of your talk about playbook, which looks very helpful. Can we access the document, please, sir? Yes. ControlFX.com, free download, no charge. Oh, if it's at no previous bottom wick too. I mean, not that it really affected us really. It's the entry is off of 30, but 15 no bottom. I guess that's why I didn't drive down and break the lows. Makes sense. But if this 15 can close doji or below that resistance, the next 15 breaks the lows. That's the 15-minute set replay. The issue is though, it's 8:45, right? Wait, do you see chat from your end or no? This is
No, I don't see chat. No. Because I'm just on Zoom and I'm driving, so I'm not on the YouTube. On YouTube. Why? What's chat up to? Chat being aggro today? Are they on one?
for sure. They like
For sure.
they had like 5 cups of coffee or something. They're just on one today.
Hey man, it's Monday. It happens.
I know.
You do anything different and crazy over the weekend, or?
Honestly, I think my
Just
whole life was on a
sleep.
weekend. My whole life was on stream. No, I was what did I do? I didn't do anything. No, I didn't do anything. I didn't really go out or anything. It was a pretty chill weekend. Played some badminton. Other than that, got active. Got a good mix of both of gaming and physical activity. That's it.
Nice. So
Uh,
go ahead.
No, I got next month though. Pretty busy. I got the trip with Marcos to Vancouver, and then I got a cottage trip like basically a week or two after. So I'm gone for like a week and a half maybe. Yeah.
Gotcha.
How about you?
You and Marco's gonna get some facials. I know he's into that these days.
Hey yo. Me and Mark, I don't know what we're gonna do honestly. Like, we have a lot of plans for like work stuff. We haven't really planned for the fun stuff yet, but I mean, there's not much we can do in Vancouver aside from going hiking and like getting food, getting seafood, and going out to eat, maybe the bar. I don't know.
There's gotta be some good restaurants over there, I would think.
Yeah. The whole chat's like pause, big pause. That's
Yeah,
funny.
I went to this crazy restaurant in New York over the weekend. It was like out of a movie. It looks like a taco stand from the outside. It's called like La Esquina, just like a regular taco stand. You get a taco there for $1.50, but inside the taco stand there's like a metal door with a security guy there, and you just tell them you're here to go downstairs. They walk you through the kitchen like in like one of these mafia movies, and underground's a huge like crazy restaurant with like a DJ down there, a full tequila bar. It was like I felt like it was in a movie, like I didn't think there was real places like that. So if you come to New York, I gotta tell Marcos, definitely recommend
What's it called?
checking out myself. It's called La Esquina, like I think ESQUINA, I think. But from the outside, it literally looks like a $2 taco stand where you'll go over there, grab a quick taco, and keep moving. But like,
Wait, how do you spell it? ESQ.
ESQUINA, I think. La Esquina. I think that's how. But if you just Google La Esquina, even if you spell it wrong, NYC, I'm sure it'll pop up. But I recommend that to anyone. And
Oh, it looks like vibes. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, see what it looks like.
It looks lit. Yeah.
That's inside. That's underground.
That's
So
fire.
from the outside, you just go to that regular taco stand. There are people standing in there just eating a taco. They have no idea that downstairs is a ridiculous restaurant club type place, So
Damn.
highly recommended.
That's
Highly
fire.
recommend.
How much are they? That's
Yeah,
cheap too. $1.50 for tacos. That's pretty cheap for one taco.
But downstairs, it's not cheap downstairs.
Oh,
You
okay.
go downstairs and like it's all like kind of like high-end Mexican food. Where like I think it was 4 of us, and with drinks, I think it came to like $6.50 or something.
Yeah. Damn. So they have like the best of both worlds. You got up
Yeah.
top the cheap tacos downstairs. You got like the actual. That's pretty lit. Yeah, I gotta try it. I gotta put it on my list actually if I go to New York, because I'm gonna go to New York like sometime next year again.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
I'm saying that was just like an experience. Like when you walk through the kitchen, you're like, where am I going? And you see like people cooking down there. You're like, what's going on? And then all of a sudden you walk into the place. You're like, damn.
Yeah, Toronto got that over here. We got some boring restaurants. Yeah, people said they've been here before.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, been there before. Tussa guy sounds like a mafia boss. Yeah, he sounds Italian. That's why.
Yeah. Nah, I'm from Brooklyn, so. Yeah, I actually booked this other restaurant for next week. I'm gonna go to where you might have seen it online. They like have like projectors on the ceiling, and they project onto your plates like a whole like story, and then the food comes out. Like they make like a little chef cooking. It's called like It's called like Le Petit Chef, and it's like a traveling thing that they go to different cities.
What I love places.
What?
All these love places. Escana La Petite. What's it called? La Petite Chef? Eh?
Yeah, if you type La Petite Chef, you'll see the thing. The place where this is called The View in New York City because it always moves. But it's like a video cam. It's like they project onto your plate like a whole story. Your whole table becomes like a screen almost.
Oh, that's cool.
And, like, yeah, they'll have like the little chef running around on your plate, pretending like he's cooking the food on your plate. And then when the food's ready, the server comes at the right time and drops your food on there. So and the food looks exactly like the projection food looked. So
damn, they got perfected every time.
Exactly. Yeah. So it looks.
Oh,
like
what's this spot called? Le Petit Chef. Okay, cool.
But they do this Le Petit Chef throughout the world. So you can, like, right now it's going to be in New York at that place called The View NYC, but it travels all around. Like, they do it in, I'm sure that they'll go up to Toronto and they do it everywhere. So, but it's just like when you catch them, you know?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, so I just booked that. It's a little pricey, but you know, we do another gold sell today, it won't be a problem.
No, gold sell today won't be a problem.
That's right, bro.
All right.
It's on you if I'm having that $1.50 taco or if I'm going downstairs for the fancy meal, you know?
A lot of pressure. Hey, wise guy.
Forget about it.
Gold's about to snatch some trolls. Is it really? I mean, let's see. 9:30, yeah. At this point, we gotta wait for 9 a.m. We're can't really do much here. The 4 is gonna close bearish here, but it comes down to how it closes here. I want to close below 1712, but if it doesn't, then we might be ranging for a bit today. Let's see. Yeah, you really want to close below there, man. Definitely below there. Maybe even lower, like 1712, or yeah, around here. You move your support down there. Damn, I have no one to take over. I was gonna say, if you had chat open, you can take over for me for like a good minute, 3 minutes, if you don't mind. They'll just ask you questions, honestly. Cause I gotta do something real quick. Give me like 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Go for it.
Alright, thanks. Appreciate it.
Alright, chat. So let's see, what can we go? I'll tell you guys a story about how my first run-in with the police one time. You know, back when I was about 15 or 16, went to the bank with my girl. It'd be funny. So while I'm in line with my girlfriend, I take one of those deposit slips and I write on it like, "Give me all the money. This isn't a joke," but as a joke, of course, you know? So anyway, get to the teller. I give her the paper as a joke, like I'm smiling. She looks at it, my face turns white. I'm just like, just joking. And I leave with my girlfriend just thinking like, all right, dumb joke, didn't work out. Anyway, about 10 minutes later, about 12 cops show up at my girlfriend's house, come over there, running in there. Yeah, it was some shit. So that was first running, you know, that's just a little, not that I've ever had like anything crazy, of course, but you know, I wish I could be reading what you guys are saying. So I'm just maybe I'll try to catch up on those later. But you know, the thing I learned over there is you don't mess around at a bank, and you don't pretend to rob the bank. They don't think it's funny. So take that to heart, write that down, keep that in your back pocket, and next time you're at a bank and you're thinking of doing something silly, just don't. All right, that's my PSA for today. So, yeah, so how you guys doing in FOREX, right? So, tell you where I'm at right now. Started like about 10, 12 months ago with a $2,500 account. messing with US 30 and NAS, which are crazy volatile. In the first like 2 weeks, I turned that 2,500 to 10 grand. I thought I'm the biggest genius. This is the easiest thing. Anyway, a week later, I blew that account. Gone. Zero. So started again with another 2,500, building slowly, just trying to make a few $100s a day or $50 a day or just not lose. Got the account now. It's at about like maybe 19,000. But just started to try to do a funded thing, which I know we don't talk about funded shit, but I'm trying it out just because I like those big numbers, man. I need to see, it doesn't get me that excited when I'm up $100. Like I need to see I'm up $900. So only way to really do that is with a funded account or a demo account or organically like Don did, which is the right way. But I'm old, bro. My time's ticking. You know, I'm not in my 20s where I got 25 years to make it, bro. You know, what do I got? Another 3, 4, 5 years tops, and it's over for me. So I just started my funded account challenge this week. We'll see how we go. You know, this was my like third trade in it with Don this morning. So I think with the closing of partials, I think I made like 650 on that funded account today, but got a while to go. So we'll see how that goes. You know what I mean? All right, what we've got over here is no top wick on that gold. So do I trade all sessions? I look at the charts really like when I can, but I really won't trade unless I'm sitting by a computer, so I don't like impulse and get crazy. So I really want to make sure I'm looking at the right thing. So usually I'll trade New York and maybe a little Asian. It's very rare that I'll trade London because I'll probably be fast asleep. I'm in New Jersey, so I'm on Eastern Standard Time. So normally I'll do a little Asian, but after like 9:30, 10 p.m., if I don't see a setup, I just close the chart. So my main trading is probably, you know, with Don from 6:30 in the morning, and I'll probably, if I don't see anything by like 1-ish, I'm off the chart. So I'll probably be looking at the charts till about 1 or so. Yeah, the thing I learned is as soon as you think you got it all figured out, Forex smacks you in the face. So it's like, you know, journaling was such a big thing for me too, because I didn't journal before, and you really don't, you know, you remember the wins like, oh, I would have taken that trade, I would have got it. But it's like, once you journal all your trades and you look back, you're like, aha, see where I went wrong, see where I went right, see where gold just was gold and didn't do what I wanted it to do. But journaling definitely makes you look at yourself and see if you can actually, I just passed a copy, gave me a weird look that I got a microphone in my hand and it doesn't even do anything. But yeah, that's the deal. Okay, so I see that thing's running, it's popping a little bit. Okay, you know, we look like we could have a little wick fill going down a little bit later. I hope people join the stream don't think I'm a streamer right now, because then they're not going to come back. Don will be back soon. He's getting some coffee, staying up, maybe drop some heat real quick, you know what I mean? You know, it's already 9 o'clock, he's been streaming for a while, you know? So that's where Don's at. I'm about to be at work. I'm heading to work right now. Luckily I work by a computer, so I can keep trading while I'm at work. But that's the deal, man. But you know we're trying to get to this goal today. You know that. We all know it. Oh, shout out to Nav out there. Nav, funny as fuck, that dude. Leaky, you know. There's some funny dudes out there on the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, guys, get on that Discord. That Discord it's lit, it's smart people, good advice, very good vibes, people chill, and there's a lot of funny dudes in there too. So definitely, if you're not on Discord, get on Discord. So yeah, man, I bought Don's course maybe about 3 months ago or so, 3-4 months ago. It's great, you know. I like the course, the controller, and being able to rewatch it. But the truth is, you know, if you're in Don's stream every day for 3-4 months, you'll figure it out. You know, he talks. It's not like he keeps the course stuff secret and doesn't share it with everybody on stream. Like everything on the course, Don gives it away for free on the stream. You know, the only difference is you'll get the updates, you get maybe more direct videos, like, you know, you want to see something about the range 1, range 2 breakout, you can either see something on YouTube, which is still a great intensive video, but, you know, then Don made a different one for the course, which you know, gives a little bit more in depth, and maybe it's even a little bit updated. You know, it might have come out in the last 2 weeks instead of in the last 2 months, where maybe there's a change or something's different. You know, so definitely I'm a fan of the course and the signals. I got the signals too, because dude, those paid for themselves in the first day. You know, paid for a year's worth of signals in the first day. So yeah, man, that's the
How was it?
I know you don't have it on you because I can't see, you know, on Zoom it doesn't show your camera. I didn't know if you're back or not, so I'm just.
Oh no, I just got back. Yeah, how was it? What did he ask you? Did he ask anything crazy?
I couldn't hear anything or Jeff, so I was just talking shit. Like I hope it was all right. I guess I'll watch the YouTube later and see what people were saying, and you know, hear what the monsters were up to. But anyway, I just got to the office, man. So I'm gonna be listening in on my ear, but I'm not gonna be on here. So
all right,
let's
man.
try to catch another gold trade, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Hey, I appreciate it. Appreciate you taking over for a bit.
Anytime, man. Later.
Later, man. Take it easy. Damn, you guys good chat or what? Okay, I was thinking here. I'm looking here. First thing I see off the rip is the 4-hour candle. So the 1 hour candle closed above the range. The 4-hour candle closed respecting support up. So we're in the same situation as GJ earlier. Remember how we had the basketball GJ earlier? It's the same situation. The 1 hour candle had closed respecting support. The 30-minute candle was a 15 and it closed back into the range. And I mean, GG did what we planned. It flipped bullish, it rejected that support, and now it's gonna drive up. Same thing as gold here potentially. So gold here closed bearish to the left here, 1717 here. It closed respecting 1717, pretty heavy resistance. So now if you can break the highs at 1723, perfect. We'll have a sell stop, we'll have buy stops, or we may get positions here because look at this. Look at the 1 hour candle. If the 1 hour candle can come down now, crib bottom wick tapping like 1713, we'll place a buy stop on the break of the highs, because this range going up here is not too bad. It's a range of 50 pips. Stop loss is current candle low, so obviously previous candle lows are kind of wild. It's kind of 6 pips, but current candle stops are not bad. If it comes down to, yeah, again over here is fine. You flip bullish here, you have a 22 pip stop, buy stop here. That'd be great. Yeah, so we're gonna have chat buy stops right now, chat. Buy stops on the break of the highs right here at 1717.847. All right, buys above here. Stop loss is current kind of low, so right now stop loss is gonna be 33 pips. TP is up here at 1723. No runners for me, just 23 for 53 pips here. This is a trade. 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour is bullish, 30 minutes bullish, other is bullish stuff for the 4 hour candle. But the 4 hour candle again close, respecting that support there. So I believe this thing breaks, this thing flips bullish. It should fill the range. As for break-even points, the break-even point here would be 1719, 731, or maybe a little lower, 1718, 870, right? And then partial closure point would be around here, 1728, 258, and the rest towards 23. If it breaks the 1 hour lows, or if it exceeds like a 4 pip stop, I just delete, or a 50 pip stop, I'll delete buy stops. Of course, gold doesn't want to give us a 20 pip stop loss. It wants to give us a 40 pip stop loss, right, gold? Typical gold. You can never get what we want. 380. So yeah, if once it flips, you see a low, but right now it can literally come down to like 1713 here. Probably no, who knows? But if it exceeds, I would say if it exceeds 1713, I just delete buy stops. But right now we have buy stops here, chat. Taking advantage of the range here. Thing is, like, they kind of broke the highs already, so technically bias is initially bearish today. Yeah, you have a forward support heavy at 1719, but from here to that support, it's a 16 pip range going up. Stop loss gold 33, 34 right now. If it flips and breaks the highs, this will be a 34. It can still extend, it can still exceed. Probably know, right? We haven't flipped yet, but this forward candle should give us some volume. Very nice stops, decent. Yeah, check. My bosses are 845. Same bosses on Blue Bear markets. 1717 84 is a bot stop on Blue Bear markets. You can look at it from this perspective, chat. You have a support here. You have a resistance here. If price were to fake out, it would have faked back into the range already, right? But now that we're closing bullish, basically at the support, especially above this resistance here, it's a high chance this candle's gonna likely drive up to fill the top of the range. We're just in the range. That's all that it is. It's just in the range on a 1 hour time frame, right? So if we're closing bullish, this is the strongest candle we've had all day since London session. London session 6 or pre-New York, we had a nice 1 hour candle, but that was the nicest one we've had since. Price came down, tapped the indecision level. Price didn't know what I wanted to do there, right? So if we're closing bullish here, as long as we respect the previous 1 hour low, this thing could still flip bullish. Obviously, if it breaks the 1 hour lows, then it's kind of tough because the 4 candle's not filled out wick. However, don't be in positions for a while until you break below 17.808 probably for sells, right? But yeah, just think of it as that. That's basically what the trade is. Just the onion play. All right. Of course, you don't get a 33% stop loss. Could price come down to 1717 where we delete buy stops? That's Z. What's on Blueberry? Same buy stops, 84. 1717.84. If this bearish candle closed below 1712, I'll be all in for the fake out sells. Not later all in, chat, in case you have to hold into my words, but like in terms of positions, I'll be looking for definitely sells. But it closed respecting that support, right? To the left. So again, it can literally fill the wick and still break the highs. I wouldn't be surprised. As for positions, there won't be anything until you flip here or until you break below 1711. Yeah, GG came up. GG had to close no top wick though on the 1 hour. 4 hour candle definitely closed. Look at the 4 hour candle close. This thing closed bullish above this resistance on a 4 hour time from here. So now you have clean traffic pushing price up towards 165. That wick fill there going up is around 30 pips going up. It's not bad, but you need a bottom wick here, obviously, for GG at least. I'll be our stops and go right now. 46. Okay, yeah. If it re-breaks that low, we'll just delete. Look where it's tapping into though. It's great. Potential bottom wick levels, right? In this gray box here. If it breaks below here, we'll just delete. We'll wait for more positions at 9:30. Oh, wait. Potential positions. So let's put it on the spreadsheet. Will be the onion on the break of the first kind of higher low off of the 1 hour half risk. This is a sub chat basically. Oops, that is not the position. Buys, sorry, that is the position. This is the position basically, right? Price made a high, price made a low, no buys here, just rejection levels, confirmation of support formed, buys to re-break the highs, right? Go back on a chart, same situation. You have, this is your resistance, this is your support. Sorry, wrong time frame. This is your resistance, this is your support. We're at rejection zone, no buys yet. Price close confirming support has been formed. You re-break the highs, drop up to retest the highs, and fill the range. Same exact scenario that we have in the playbook. Onion play. It looks like this is gonna be our stop, I guess. 44 pips. I think the current high flip of the candle gives you an advantage point at 3 pips, but it's 3 pips. What difference is it gonna make? You right away for the break of the highs, right? Break of the highs and just confirm that that's the low. It's like a 3 pip. You're in a better position, better probability to break the highs and have buy stops than flip here, because they can flip and still break the lows. In the first 15 to 4 count too. This 15 is about closer. This 15 can close about 7-16. That'd be great. 17-16 or even 17-15, 6-6-8. Overall, though, trades on the 1 hour time. So until the 1 hour candle closes either bearish or breaks the 1 hour lows, we can't. We're not deleting buy stops just yet. Yeah, correct, John. Yeah, John, my bad. I gotta add you to that thing. Let me do it right now. I got you. I got you. What's your email again? I'm just. I got you. I got you. Yo, John, should be good. Should be good, John. Should have access now. Just log into your Wix and then you should have the course. Should be good. Chat, if we break the lows here, we're deleting buy stops. What up, K? You a little late. A little late, K. $17 seconds for a 15. US 30. This is in the range here. Yeah, NYC should bring in volume here. You should see a shit ton of volume at NYC. A shit ton. No, it's half risk here. It's half risk, it's not full. Stops are a little wide. Initially, yeah, it was when it was 22 pips, but now stops are gonna be 46 pips or minimum. It's gonna be half risk. So, again, same risk percentage, 1% risk per trade. Just since it go fixed lot, it's gonna be half. So I average out to 1-2% per trade. It's nothing changes really. Stops get bigger, lot size get smaller, right? It's kind of how we do things. Did you delete? No. Did you buy it? No. We got buy stops. That chat, do you guys not read the screen, you know? Sometimes if you just read the screen a little bit, or just have your volume set a little high, you can hear me talk and I explain exactly what I'm doing. Pokemon? Where? Behind me? I could do buy or sell. Oh, brother. Some people have me on the side, just like they just have me playing in the background while they're playing Fortnite. Did Don say buy? Huh? Is this where I over leverage? Huh? Don, you sucked, man. Took a loss here. Never coming back to the stream ever again. Next thing you know, Don, you're the GOAT. No cap. Just caught 10 pips. Alright, brother. Catch you when we take a loss again too. Same shit every day. I've seen people switch up like that, chat. It's literally what happens. Like it's natural though. It's just part of the industry. What can I do? They're not trolling. They're just as humans, you know, everyone gets emotional, and people just can't control their emotions, and that's an example of people who can't control their emotions. It's a live stream, man. It's free. What more do you want? Then they say, yeah, then they say F you, fuck you, and then they come back after a couple of, I've seen it, chat. I've seen it literally, like, I've seen like, oh, Don, like, I think like this strategy doesn't really work best for me. Like, it's not making me enough money. I'm just gonna go to a different strategy. Like, right now I'm looking at blah blah blah, right? I feel like the RR there is a lot better. I'm like, all right, man, just do you. I got nothing's wrong with that. If you just, I'm not holding guns to your head telling you to trade the way we do, right? But then what ends up happening is, like, it literally happened to me the other day. Someone said, they're like, yeah, Don, like, I tried out for like the past 3 months. I feel it's just too confusing, or it just hasn't. There's not much information. It hasn't really clicked for me, and I'm coming back to the streams. I'm like, I mean, hey, we're still here doing the same thing since then. Nah, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm saying strategies in general. How accurate am I? Yo, what up? Good morning, DZN. Yeah, MM, you here? Sure. What's your positions for US 30? What if we wait for sells, then a current count? I mean, sells are not bad below 1711. I'll wait for sells below there, but until you get there, there's no sells. You miss Wicks? I know, me too. Some guys are laughing. Everyone's just laughing, knows it's true. You're laughing, know it's true. Now we're with the 50-minute resistance. No, the 1 hour candle here is what the position is based off of, and the 1 hour candle closed bullish above the range. This should be the bullish candle here. I mean, depends on when it flips, but it should be the bullish candle with the forward candle respecting that support. Is this volume normal for this month? What's wrong with the volume this month? People see a month where we move thousands and thousands of pips, and they see a month where we move like normal, basically. Well, not really. This is still above normal. This is like we still have a lot of volume here, and then people trip out because they're not getting the same volume they had in June. But this is the markets. You can't get married to a month because you move a certain amount of pips that month. Like, you're not gonna get March again for a while. March is wild. We had news, we had catalysts. You're not gonna get that for a while. Like, last thing you had that volume was COVID. COVID was 2020, right? Or the elections, whatever. But you can't get married to a month because you had volume. You just adapt. Every month you adapt to the current state of the markets. There's no dead. It's like the volume's not even. It's not even bad, odd chat. Like, it's July's been perfectly fine. Like, yeah, like it's been perfectly fine. In April, whatever. March was wild, but you're not gonna get that month in a while, man. In a while. Gotta adapt, man. Gotta adapt. Those fake plants? Nah, it's real. I take care of it every day. I water the plant every day. You know? So legit, this thing doesn't even fall off. Nah, no BTC. More COD gameplay? One day, when I get tired of Apex again. You place your buy styles higher if it makes it play. Oh, it stops? No, it's off the 1 hour. I've just used current 1 hour stops. You can definitely do it though. It's not a bad idea. Playing Fortnite? I can't play Fortnite. I never played, so it's too late for me to play. To get into the stuff. Yeah, this is the IKEA plant. I got a long time ago though. All right, the 15 is flipping. Can you flip bullish and activate the buy stops, or will you not? Why is my mic so low? Raise that up. There we go. That's much better. About to be activated. Gotta break the highs. In? How you in? Didn't break the highs yet. How are you in? It came maybe 3 pips away from the break from our buy stops. Unless you got on the flip. If you got on the flip, then you're just confusing everyone now because I thought you were referring to the trade. If you got on a flip, that's just your trade. That's a different scenario. That's fine. Like, it's fine. But we're talking in terms of the buy stops. It's not activated yet. I don't think anyone should be activated yet. All right, so this trade here is the onion off of the 1 hour. So onion off the 1 hour break of, is it current higher low? Yeah, current previous higher low. I mean, haven't taken a trade yet, but onions for current high low have been 100%, and the flip has been 100%. Onion plays alone this year has been 66%. Only 12 trades taken though. Yeah, current higher low or previous higher low 68. 1 hour is 72. 25k. Hey, do you hit it really? Oh man, there's a fake account too? Great. Lovely. 0 subscribers? Oh, there it is. Damn, thanks guys. 25K, appreciate it. That is insane. A quarter away until a quarter or 3/4 away until 100K. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Thanks guys. It's been that took about 2 years and some change. 2 years and some months. But thanks chat. 25K. See how it looks? Sheesh. That's cool. Thanks guys, appreciate it man. Love you guys. Alright. Let's get 25 pips for 25K. Sounds like a plan. Coming. Let's see. Would this be the 25 pip mark? This would be right. Yeah, that's literally the 25 pip mark. Maybe it's the sign chat. 1720.25. That wasn't planned, but that is the 25 pip mark. Negative 25 pips on this trade. Could be. Could be a loss. Maybe US 30. Market maker's a paid actor. Market maker's a NPC. All right, we're flipping again. Flippity flip, flip, flip. Can you break the highs? Can you break the highs here? Find out the next episode of Trading with Dawn. Blowing Council Dawn. Getting serious. Next time we're making bond wick. It's off of the 1 hour time. From 1 hour candle spent basically 30 minutes creating bond wick already. So I'm putting my trust into the 1 hour low. It was off of the 1 hour time from not the 15, not the 30. Off of the 1 hour, and we're about to get activated here, chat. So lock it in. We're getting very close. Activating. Very close. Can you break the highs? And not yet. 845 is the buy stop on Blueberry. Blueberry market. Wait for it. Sorry, not A5, A4. A4 is the buy stop. Basically where I have on my screen. A4 is the buy stop. Can you activate here? And we are activated. We back to Vegas. All right, so buy stops have been activated right here. TP is up here at 1723. Stop loss is the current candle low right now for around 4 or 5 pips. TP is 3 pips. Yeah, boss was activated. Break-even point again is 1718.940, and TP is 723. Partial closes at 720.258. But that's the trade. Traffic driving down, chat. You could leave runners too if you want towards 1727, but look at that day now. It can probably come up towards 735, 33ish, but I'm just gonna have TPs at 23 and call it a day. That's the trade. Yep. Stops are 4 or 5 pips. Stops is half risk, chat, which is basically just my normal risk, 100% per trade, but half risk in terms of fixed lots. That equals to my 100% per trade, right? So Not half risk because of the low probability trade. Half risk because stops are kind of big. Flipped. A little bit. Maybe like a pip. Maybe a pip. As for managing risk, 30-minute count close above. Nice, yeah. 30-minute count should create a bottom. We can drive up here towards the breaking point pretty nicely. Again, trades off the 1 hour candle. So if the 1 hour candle at 10 a.m., which is at 9 a.m., if it closes like this, then we'll just delete or just close part positions at 9. If it closes, I'll say if it closes below this range here, below here, then we'll just close up the trade at 10 a.m. in terms of managing risk, because it's gonna drive down after if it rejects there, right? But as long as it closes bullish or bearish, respecting this support to the left, right around here, these areas right here, the trade's still valid, and therefore I'm still in at least. That's me managing risk. But again, you guys can do whatever you guys want to do. Right? This is just how I'm managing risk here. So these lines here are just where exactly where I'm gonna be stops breaking and all that. Lots of volume here though. You guys see the NYSE open here. So NYSE opened, pushing up towards that resistance there. Not breaking just yet. Not just yet. Very close. The reason we have breaking point right here is just because that's where the next amount of resistance is. So at that point, you want to just take advantage of that range there to the left. Oh yeah, we're 18. Nice. Yeah, people have positions on the flip, good positions. I think you have a position if you have positions on a flip, you're in a better spot. You're in a better spot here in terms of break even and in terms of managing risk. You're just pushing up. Thanks, bro, for gold. Nothing happened yet. It could still be a loss. Don't say thanks yet. We're just hovering here. Remember, even got tapped. That's fine. I got slipped by a bit. A little bit of slippage, yeah, with volume. 2 pips. I was like 1.5 pips. It's good though, because now our stop loss, not only is it the 1 hour candle low, it's a 30-minute count. It's a previous 30-minute count as well, and previous 15. That low gets broken, there's a 100% chance we're going to drive down towards like 1708 if that low gets broken. All right, chat, there it is. So we're going to move my stops break even here, and let the rest run. Breaking point's been tapped. If we tap 720.258, we're going to probably close half my positions there, and then let the rest rock towards TP. All right. But yeah, you can close half here if you want to. It's up to you. Probably like 10% profit here, but just break even here minimum for me. All right. So let's see who can get 25 for 25. 25 for 25. Yeah, my basket got active at 1717.94. All right, chat. Now it's gonna close 50% of my positions right here at 21 pips, and let the rest run towards TP. All right. So there it is. Congratulations, chat. Another day, another dollar, another trade, another win. Add to our spreadsheet. Dubs.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
And now we got TP at 1723.231. So patience paid off. Spent our morning waiting. And dubs, chat. Congrats. Chat's going crazy. Chat, let's get a W spam real quick though. Let's get a W spam for Instagram real quick. All right. I'm actually gonna close 75%, or I actually closed 75% there. I didn't really close 50. I popped a 15. I popped 15. I closed 10 lot. I had a 5. Yo, chat, W spam for IG real quick. All right. Guys, you can fake a lot of things in life, man. But you can't fake a live stream, I'll tell you that. You can't fake a breakdown. You can't fake patience. You can't fake, you know, these things here, man. And I mean, even if you didn't catch a position, it's okay. Because you still learn some way, somehow today. Either if it was my patient, either if it was me waiting for a bottom wick, me waiting for a position, me waiting for a closure, me taking advantage of NYC, whatever it is. But you definitely learned something today, for a fact. And that's all that matters. You know, forget the trade. As long as you learn, you would have won your own world. Apex. Let's go gold. Let's go buys, and let's go 21. What's the streak continues, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the signals, I think. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Yeah, it's close. Some of you guys close foam. Yeah, it's not bad. How many pips did we get? Peak 34. Not bad. Stops were big, but there was building a drawdown. Obviously, we can't really control that, right? There's a 9-pit drawdown. Was there a 9-pit drawdown? I swear there was no drawdown. There was no drawdown there. Maybe 6 pips max, but that was it. I don't think there was any drawdown there. 6 pips max. Bro, just zoom out next to you and find a great support at 1714. Huh? 1714. Okay, yeah, there's support there, but there's no positions there for me, right? 6%. How much you guys close half yet? As long as you guys, you know, close partial. Let's say that guy's, yo, Ike, is he here? Ike's still here in the chat. He's still here on the phone, but he's not. He's at work, but he definitely could get that food now. He can definitely get that meal he wanted. So, I guess we paid off his dinner. Where's he at? Let me add him. Damn, we got 21 pips, chat, not 25, but it is what it is. And we're coming down. The 5 minutes coming down. 5 minutes coming up. Nice. Look at our 5-minute close there. 5-minute close above this resistance to the left here. So if we could flip bullish here, there's a high chance thing will drive up towards the TP, but we gotta flip here and we can't hit the break-even point. That's what I'm looking at right now. It's good though. It's good too because our stop loss or our breaking point is the flip of the 30-minute candle. That thing flips bearish is gonna drive back down, for a fact. Oh, here comes the flip. 1 minute is flipping bullish. Could that lead to the 5-minute flipping bullish? Let's see. Love from Melbourne. Hey, appreciate it. Things on 724. Yeah, I got my TP there. Whatever happens, happens. I'm fine with hitting break even here after closing partials. Like you can't say I should have held, right? It's just that's the plan. Just stuck to the plan. That's all I did. These things here were just here from the start, and they're for specific reasons, and that's the best we can do in this case, right? Yeah, try my entry is my entry got a little slipped, so it's at 94. 1794 is the entry. Hey, can you have love? Nice. Great to have you watching. What did we reject off there? What is this? 1721. Was that amount of resistance to the left? 5 close above. I mean, well, this 5 close bearish but respecting the support here, so we may still survive, but we're cutting close to the break-even point. I guess we rejected that resistance to the left there at 1720, 930. What else did we reject off of? That's it. Is that all? We hit break even, right? For sure, hit break even just now. I'm trying to see where we rejected off of. I have my TP bit off there, I guess. Then, right here, 1721. Where did I reject off of? I guess right here, 1721, 950. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I would just kept the same TP, honestly. Because you're anticipating the 4 accounts to drive up, right? I guess that could just be saying like the top wick for the 4 account could be created here. So because the 4 account can still flip, it didn't break the 4 highs, it can still flip bearish here, and it can drive all the way down to foot of wick at 1711 here now. Let's look at the 4-hour candle. The 4-hour candle closed at this resistance, right? And now it's flipping bearish after creating a hot wick. So we can reject and drive down. Yeah, you're probably looking at 1706 now in that zone there. And then top wicks in that scenario where it's tapped around these levels to the left. Yeah, that's I guess it's the 4 candle. Yeah, I kind of missed that. Not bad though, chat. Not bad. I'll take it. I wouldn't have done anything differently, honestly. Maybe just change the TP a bit, but still perfect trade. Managed risk accordingly. Hit break even after, but hey, we close partials, and yeah, some people close full, but W's. What time is it right now? 9:40. So should we stay till 10 a.m. chat or call it a day here, man? There's no reason for us to stay, honestly. It's what did we peak there? 1,400 viewers. It's funny, we peaked at 1,400 earlier when we took a trade, and then we came back, retraced to 1K, and then came back up to 14. You signal monsters. You're a demon. Let's see. Should I stay chat for a bit? All right, hold on. Trades taken. Let me just do this first. Trades taken. I knew I was missing something. Gold is my favorite part of the day. Gold sells plus 21. All right, and then spreadsheet. 21. And then 715. Cool, 87% on gold. We took no GG this month on stream. Crazy. 83.70% overall. Gold to 86 almost. We're almost at 86 again. 77 wins, 55 losses, 21 break even. So let's update the spreadsheet. Yearly record becomes 77. Yeah, because I didn't update the last trade, right? So 77 for the yearly record, and then wow, 80 and 15 basically, and then one more everyone said, 15 losses, cool, 21 break evens. Okay, that's correct. And then monthly record becomes 7-1. So we had a rough start to the month. It was like 1-1, I think, but 7-1 now. Not bad. 1 loss this month so far. We have about half a month left. One more. You can still get a fake out. You can still get a fake out, chat. You can get a fake out back below 17, but a third position on a winning day. What's the point, man? Let the market do what it wants to do. Just call it a day, honestly. As for GJ's coming up, filling that wick, great, lovely. But I think I'm gonna just call it, chat. I'm gonna do a word and call it. No? Encore. Let's do, okay, how about this? We do a wordo and we come back after, okay? We do a wordo because it might take me a good 20 minutes here because I'm kind of, slow on the wordos. But we do a wordo and then we come back to the streams. Is that cool? Is that cool? Alright, corrupt chat. Yep, this is gonna take a long time, guys. So let's see. No letters here. We're fucked. Alright. Whips. You know what? Chips. Fuck. If you did a W, would have Got the wrong letter too. Damn, this is hard. Knock. Okay. Okay, you got the I know what you guys are thinking. I know exactly what you guys are thinking. We're missing a C somewhere. You guys are weird, man. Can't be too hard, right? Clock? 2 C's? No, the C can't be there. The C can't be there. Huh? Can be clock. Flock? Is a flock a word? Yeah, flock's a word. Yeah, flock's definitely a word. Hey. Say Glock. Hey. 95 played. We're catching up. Our record's catching up. Our trade record. That's a good balance right there. Have some fun and trade, business. That's not bad. W. Alright, what now? Wait 12 minutes here. I'm playing Apex. I'm streaming Apex later, chat. So if you guys want to watch the boy play Apex, you guys could come watch the boy play Apex. I'll be here. After probably. Chat, I'm actually thinking of doing like more streams, man. Like I actually like streaming. I realized like when I was playing, I like streaming. Like I'm thinking of more of like just random streams, like just maybe reaction streams or simulations, simulator streams, FOREX, right? Anything, just gaming, whatever it is, but just grow a community overall based off of other things I like to do in life. Because FOREX is one small part of my life, man. FOREX is like barely a part of my life. Hey, yo, Leo, what's going on, brother? Go on Twitch for that. IRL, I want to do IRL streams, man, but what am I gonna do? Oh, sorry, sells to buys. You're right. He's taking those buys, not sells. Update the signals yet? 21 I did. Damn, signals busting up. 82%, 83 basically. 87% on gold, 7% on GJ. 29 losses all year, 138 wins. Pretty high accuracy, man. First goal buy this month? I think so. Yep. First goal buy this month. Pretty clean though. Yeah, it's clean. You see it? So like I feel for a lot of people, like they'll see this and they wouldn't be able to read this candle. This candle closed bearish, respect that support. People are like, it can still go down, but if you flip it, it's the same thing. If it was bearish, you can see that bullish candle, but that bearish candle was respecting that resistance. Next candle comes down, breaks those lows. That's a seller play. Seller play to come down towards TP, right? You can flip your chart by using Alt I if it's easier for you guys to read sometimes. Yeah, I got a link. Express Point Journal in chat. You get a free link to your own spreadsheet. Do Excel stream how I edit and manage? This is the thing. I don't know how to do that stuff by myself because Badger, shout out to Badger, but Badger, our mod, created that for us. And I don't know how to like I know how to add things, but I'm not an expert with the spreadsheet. I need to add a pair. You gotta like right click this, go to view more cells, conditional formatting, and then you go to oh, wrong one. You go to, no, not that. You go right click and then you go to data validation. Yeah, data validation, and you go criteria, and then from here you add your pairs. So you want to do like USD JPY, you do that. USD JPY, you click save, and then once you go on a drop down pair, USD JPY here. That's how you do that. I know I do small things, but that's it. Maybe I can do a tutorial. You're right. I have a video for you guys though, for real. Coming today. You guys wanna see it? Where's the video? I have so many videos here that I haven't used yet, chat. Like, look at all these videos that we have for our stream. Hey Don, who was your mentor? Marcos Ruiz. You know what's crazy? I didn't realize this, but I said that. Hey Don, who was your mentor? Marcos Ruiz. As I said that, 7 months. This guy subbed to the channel. Hey yo, that's crazy. Yeah, just some short videos here, maybe like 5-10 minutes clips I can post. You have range 1 over here. Yeah, there you got it. I'm gonna start uploading those videos every week for you guys. Ooh, can gold close above? Did it? What did it do? Did it come down, create a steeper wick, or it just came down, tapped that support, and came back up? Interesting. I want to use your trading journal. Just take it. It's free, no charge. Through the promotion stuff, just take it. People are so crazy nowadays. Like, they expect everything to be paid for, or like just it's free. Just take it. Especially like when I had a website coming out, right? A book, basically ebook, and someone's like, "Yo, Don, I feel like there's a way you can make money off of this." I'm like, "Man, it's free. Why would I just charge someone for the free website?" Like, yeah, but you can just grow your audience. Like, I don't want to grow the audience, man. I just want to, give the free playbook, free website out for you guys. Just provide education for free. There's no reason to charge. If you want to pay, the only thing I charge for chat, honestly, is 2 things: signals and courses. That's it. Anything else I do is free, and I give a lot for free. I don't even ask for people to purchase the stuff I have. If you want, extra learning criteria or maybe extra signals, whatever, then go ahead, feel free to do so. But I'm not here to, it's like saying you're playing Warzone, you're playing Apex, and the course is like an heirloom. You want an heirloom? Go get the course. It's like everything else is free though. Again, the base of the game is free. Come on streams, relax, you chill out, talk to chat. It's free. You want extra stuff? Go ahead, pay for it. Pay for the skins. Pay for the battle pass. Yeah, make a copy, John. Nah, that's not about Pip's last killer. It's more so about levels we're tapping, the way accounts are closing for me to manage risk. It's not about, oh, we're 15% profit here, I'm gonna close. Nah, it's irrelevant. It's DLC. We're gonna grow the gaming stuff, chat. We have like maybe 10 viewers right now watching gaming. Like 20-30 viewers maybe. We're gonna get that a little higher eventually once we get cracked. Is it sunny outside? Or rainy? Sheesh. 4 minutes left. Thanks for today. Yo, peace out, Sharif. Take it easy, man. Sounds like Diaz Biffles. Whoa. I watch Diaz Biffles. He's my favorite Warzone streamer. Diaz Biffles. No, I don't. Do I? Oh. Oh. I don't know. I'm doing this channels right there.
Get on camera. Get on camera. Come on, Booyah. Come on, D.
No, I don't.
So I was like, what's up, bro? You don't like my vibes?
Yo, what are these glasses, bro? Actually, kind of. I can hear it. I can hear it. Maybe.
Oh my god, yo.
Yeah, I can hear it. I can hear it. Maybe a little bit. Yo, Lupe, you here? Is that a fact? Sound like Diaz Biffles play like Tim the Tap Man. Funny. GJ, yeah, came out, filled that 4 wick, filled that range. The only thing is, the only thing about this trade here was the bottom wick, because as for the trade overall, it was perfectly fine. We closed above the range, the setup was there, but it just came down to the bottom wicks. And since you couldn't use the previous candle stops in the forward candle because the stop loss was going to be like 75 pips for a TP at 23, obviously that's a negative RR. Nothing you can do there in that situation unless you have bottom wick. So the only stop loss you had was the current count stops, but the stop was like 6 pips here. If it came down to like maybe 165 and didn't have a top wick, then yeah, 5 stop perfect, 1 for 1, but 1 to 1 RR. But as for stops there, it was kind of tough, kind of chalked. But the range was there, stop was there, made sense, right? Are you so calm during what? During a trade? Here's how I look at it, man. Here's a secret playbook. Once you have a playbook, there's nothing else you can do. There's nothing you can do about your positions. You can take buys, sells, but whatever you do, once you follow that initial playbook, that setup, the only thing left to do is manage risk. You can just accept the fact that you're ready to take a loss. Accept the fact that you're ready to take a win. You're just currently managing the position. I don't know. That is just I don't know. That might not have been the best best description or best way to kind of describe it, but that's how I just see it. There's nothing I can do about the trade. I spent my years, my months already planning out my positions, managing my positions, or not managing, sorry, create my playbook, right? Manage my playbook, there we go. And now all I gotta do is follow the playbook. I spent years and months making this. Once you make this, you're good. You're fine. That's all you gotta follow is your playbook. Long term, you spent all these years making it. This is like, if you made a playbook and it's shit, chalk it out. But if you made a playbook and it's profitable, like, just follow the playbook. That's all you can do. You can't unsee it after. Like, there's nothing else you can do outside of these setups here. See these things that I drew out here, chat? This right here, this is all I could do when it comes to the charts. These 3 setups, 1, 2, 3. The breakout, the onion, and the fake out. Breakout, fake out, onion. That's it. That's all I could do. Anyways, you got a closure here. 4 candle close or 1 hour candle close on GJ. Bullish above 165.754, but again, you have resistance at 165.900, so that wick fill is possible, but it's no positions just yet. As for gold in the 1 hour candle close bullish, you can still drive up. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely clean. It's definitely tempting, but unfortunately, chat, I'm gonna call it a day here. But yeah, you can fill a wick for like 14 pips here, maybe even tap resistance at 1723, 330. Previous count stops are kind of wide, so you probably want a current count stop. I think current count stop, previous count stops is 60. Current count stop is probably 30 here if it comes down. But there will be buy stops for me. I'm just gonna call that a day, chat. 2 trades today. Turn on the PC Apex now. All right, chat. Appreciate you guys for being here today. Thanks for 25K. It was a great day today. Good start to the week. Hopefully you guys started the week off on a good note too. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Peace out. Love you guys. And yeah, have an amazing day today, chat. Have a good day. All right. Yeah, peace out, chat. Love you guys. This song is for everyone that made profits today, you know? Hey. Yes, sir.
Fuck from the back, hit her once, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. Water on my neck, swim through that, that's a lot. Fuck from the back, hit her once, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. Water on my neck, swim through that, that's a lot. Fendi knapsack, why I'm spitting Fendi facts. I don't want you back, you a thought, you a nap. Just like his bitch ass, that a nigga will get clapped. Put a pause on that, you still broke, you ain't back. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. I can never change, gotta stick to my routine. I'ma hit it once, then you know I gotta leave. Got addictive personality, I turned into a fiend. Okay, my money sky blue, but my new coupe is slime green. My boys with work to the white, turn on 10. Saw a minivan, following my brand new lamp. I had a F, fanning in my hand. All my bitches 10s, no I do not fuck no fans. Count check my DMs, found out she was a man. I can't DM, never ever again. Lucid on my vision, that's the only thing that's trend. Okay, nigga, let's get it. Got your bitch on my top chest like get it. I don't want it no more, then I gotta clip it. Bomb made jeans on the front, got the zipper. My ice game got cold, got sicker. I'm a Leo like lion, I'm simple. Stand on my money, I'm tall like Simba. June and July cold just like the timber. It's too low, then the car I lift it. I know baby girl miss my drip. Girl, your breath stink, need spearmint minute. You need to go and take a minute. But your ass fat, I'ma go for the finish. Overseas, I'm eating croissants. Told the fuck nigga don't touch my crib. Shit on that, can't wipe no bird. 4 years, I ain't touched no chin. Whip, back to back, back to back, back to back. Bentley Hellcat, new Lambo, MA back. I can't talk on the phone, think my shit is tapped. Fuck from the back, hit her once, that's a wrap. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. Water on my neck, swim through that, that's a lot. Fendi knapsack, why I'm spitting Fendi facts. I don't want you back, you a thought, you a nap. Yes, that's the racks, that's the racks, that's the racks. Your jeans, they too fat, man, them shits, they relax. I got on Dior, and my skinnies, they all black. If we serve the sack, then we take that shit right back. 650 for a hat, 600 for a jacket. Try to hold me tight, but I didn't hug her back. Cause she tried to snatch out my pocket with the racks. Fuck from the back, hit her once, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. Water on my neck, swim through that, that's a lot. Fuck from the back, hit her once, that's a rap. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack.
Pay my bills, hey yo.
That's a rack, that's a rack.
That song is God.
Strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack.
That's a rack, chat. That's a rap. Peace out.